58 to 65.
Item 63, my lord. After 2 weeks after, my lord. Item 63, my lord.
With the opposite party?
I am for the opposite party. I have informed to the petitioner council, my lord.
Informed?
Yes, my lord.
Sattare?
Yes, my lord.
Asetale asu jogile?
My lord, I have filed the memo, my lord. In that memo, I
Sign
have
nature.
reflected.
Very good. That's good idea. जे मेमो करे साइन कर देला गला से नथले किछ असुविधा नहीं ठीक है ओके
2 weeks.
दैट्स द मैटर 12 February 12 February
Obliged.
Page number 9, item 66 to 73. Page number 10, 74 to 82.
I took 77 minutes on behalf of Mr. S. Mishra. It's like day 1 week after.
1 week after
Minutes.
state opposite party state no
But-
private party
Notice, as per my instruction, the notice to OP number 3 has not been made sufficient. Minutes. We'll need to take fresh steps for
77 na
minutes.
8th February
Great.
Item 81, 80 and 81.
Hmm?
Item 80 and 81. Refer 1 week to file result.
80 or 81
Again.
80 81 one consider state
And I am for the petition.
এটা আপনার private
Again.
not state Mr. Moon 6 one week 2
1
weeks
week or 2 weeks.
2 weeks time to
File
file
the
the
agenda.
agenda list matter 13th February next
Page number 11, item 83 to 91. Page number 12, item 92 to 100.
98, Lordship, 98. May, I may not be,
98
Lordship, 1 week after
1 week after year for the
petition.
petition okay 1 week after 1st February
Your lordship, item 93 has become infructuous.
93
Yes,
okay.
sir.
What is your name
Anup Kumar Biswal.
Anup Kumar
Biswal.
Bishwal on behalf of Mr. Bagh
Yes.
so on behalf of Mr. Banshidhar Bagh 6 withdraw criminal revision since it has become infracts currently this was about withdraw
Item number 1.
one
Please, your lordship. Like this is arising out of a consumer.
consumer case What is the case? What is the case about
Because the matter was state consumer for price.
why there is so thin presence today
Right?
आज इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है
Friday.
Friday
3 दिन छुट्टियां जाग रहे हैं.
okay
The events in the petition, Millard, the orders passed by the National Commission. Thereafter,
so
Millard,
you are challenging what are you challenging the national commission
non-execution of the warrant. In spite of Millard, warrant issued to the SP Vijayanagaram. And also reminder was issued by Annexure 6 to the DGP, Andhra Pradesh. The warrant could not be executed. The orders, Millard.
what is the issue क्या तो बताओ sir
Millard, issue.
first tell me the issue I
Yes,
don't
sir.
know what is the
Issue,
warrant
Millard,
was issued
the
for what
complainant is the consumer.
consumer of what is the consumer
The
for what
deficiency service, Millard,
Huh?
that opposite party number 1 and 2,
Hmm.
they are the owner and a fleet of buses.
fleet of buses okay
Buses.
fine
In Raigada.
in
Thereafter, Millard.
in Raigada
uh,
okay
They have given, they have arranged, they assured that they will arrange financiers, Sriram Finance,
Hmm.
that is opposite party number 3 and 4.
Hmm.
They have collected money from the complainant,
Hmm.
about 4 lakhs.
who complained who collected
The complainant is an unemployed person.
okay who collected money from you
Millard collected money by the owners, fleet owners,
Hmm.
to arrange finance
Hmm.
from the, and Millard, the complaint petition was allowed. And the matter was remanded
Hmm.
because they have not ex parte orders are passed thrice.
Hmm.
Thrice matter was remanded by the State Consumer Forum.
Hmm.
They have not availed they have filed a revision before the National Consumer Forum.
Why?
Also,
Sir, state, district re kaun hela, state re kaun hela?
state remains, they have
State,
they
what
have
happened to this,
directed,
what happened to the district consumer forum?
District Consumer Forum directed.
So when you are paying something for to a unscrupulous
No, that's, I
person,
am coming
how
there.
consumer complaint is maintainable here?
Consumer complaint.
Why consumer complaint, sir?
con-
Have you,
con-
is there any deficiency of service?
Yes,
Yeah.
that it was held by the State Forum, State Forum,
What
and
held?
National Forum.
What is the deficiency of service?
Deficiency, Millard collected money, they have not arranged, they have these things.
So just
That is,
try to understand my thing. These people who the fleet of services or the bus owners, right? Bus owners?
Bus owners.
Bus owners. Bus owners, what service they are supposed to provide to the people? They will traveling in the bus.
That point was decided and
Sir,
that
just
objection was.
I'm even if decided, still I'm going to discuss it.
Yes, sir.
See, when a bus service owner is providing a service, what service?
Bus service not. Yes, Millard, they have issued to sell 3 buses and arrange finance from the insurer and collected 4,50,000 from them.
This is a fraud. You could have filed 420 straight away.
So, Millard, they have filed a complaint.
चीज में district consumer forum में पहुंच चले जाते लोग.
District Forum.
Why this is clearly a fraud case. IPC should have filed.
I will
IPC.
place my, this is the gist of the case I'm saying.
Mm.
District Forum, Millard, accepted that is a deficiency of service,
Mm.
directed the pay amount and with 50,000 Millard compensation.
Mm.
Thereafter, the matter came to the State Forum.
Mm.
State Forum confirmed it.
Mm.
Challenging that, they have issued Millard National Forum. Annex 2 is the National Forum order.
National forum, what did it say?
Annex 2.
And national forum, what did it say?
Millard, National Forum directed that, yes, page 14 to 20. Para 15 Millard, page 19, I am reading. The present wish is nothing but a gross abuse of process of the law and has been filed just waste.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. This has been filed just a waste of that they went.
They went.
Okay.
All the case Millard directions that were given.
And to
They
deprive
have
the
taken
respective
by
in
not
favor,
complied.
award was passed. Okay. So so you mean to say what now? What I'm supposed to
After
do?
execution proceeding was filed, Millard. Execution proceeding on the basis after the National Commission order. They have issued notice.
Now what I'm supposed to do, sir?
Now Millard, now the grievance of the petitioner Millard, annexure 6 Millard, 5 series and 6. Executive court Millard directed to appear, they have not appeared, nor complied with it.
Sir, that court, you go and approach that court, executive court. Why the High Court will
Executive
go
court
and
direction not complied. Your lordship kindly.
So
see-
then High Court, if not compliant, there are so many other means to
Yes,
do that.
Millard. I am a person, Millard. I was made to run, though I have succeeded before the district forum, state forum, national forum, national.
Why
forum.
this
They have not complied.
Vijayanagaram superintendent of police? Why? What will it
They
do?
have not challenged the order also before the Supreme Court.
Sir, what are 7, 8? What is the role of this Vijayanagaram person?
Vijayanagaram SP was given Millard Annexure 5 series. Annexure 5 series, your lordship. The district forum has given orders to
That
direct
person is a resident of Vijayanagaram.
Vijayanagaram. Millard.
He is a resident of Vijayanagaram.
Vijayanagaram.
He is running fleet in Rayagada.
Raigada.
Oh.
And they have not raised the territorial jurisdiction. There are cases, Millard, that was taken into note of. In Supreme Court also, state forum or district forum. No territorial jurisdiction is there. Now the difficulty is, Millard, they are from the Vijayanagaram, from your lordship, from Bhubaneswar, this Raigada to Vijayanagaram, only 1 hour journey. That means almost, Millard, Vijayanagaram.
I know, sir. I've seen that area.
I am also from Gudari, Millard, from Raigada district. So
I've seen
this
Vijayanagara.
Millard, almost your lordship knows, from this Raigada district and Koraput district, used to depend on Visakhapatnam and Vijayanagara.
Yeah.
So they were cheated this man, Millard, taken the money, not attending, and even national forum they have gone. That was rejected. Thereafter, EP filed, they are not attending. Warrants are issued repeatedly to the Vijayanagaram SP.
to arrest him.
And he returned without executing. Then Millard, he has direct annexure 6 Millard. DGP has was asked, District Forum is written to the letter to the DGP saying that the warrant could not be executed. In spite of that, they have not done. Millard,
For executing warrant, high 226.
where you will go, Millard? No. It is a writ jurisdiction. I have
Sir,
approached
read
your
jurisdiction,
lordship.
but for execution
No,
of warrant.
no. The other one of the Millard financer is from Bhubaneswar. They have filed approach to the State Consumer Forum, made objection.
Hmm.
So question of no territorial jurisdiction is there. That is
I am not on the territorial jurisdiction part.
the
So,
only thing is Millard, if notice goes, and he will get the money. The old man Millard, that is the approach.
but for execution of the warrant, should the High Court
What
interfere in the warrant?
the SP was written annexure 5.
Sir, I
and,
know 226, you can do anything. That doesn't mean that
Again, we are in 226. Millard, who will help Millard? That your lordship nowadays is doorstep service of the law. The consumer, lok adalat and these things. Now Millard, after existing, yes, Millard, your lordship kindly see the brief I have made, mentioned, how the man was harassed.
Okay, simply, issue notice to the opposite party. Which opposite party? 1, 2.
Millard, OP number
1, 2. Why this Sundaram Finance is the party here?
warrant, financial Millard 3 and 4.
Why Sundaram Finance is the party?
Millard,
Why Sundaram Finance is the party here?
Millard, they are the person, they have taken documentation money, financier.
So you are not saying all these things, they're running a
Millard,
fleet, you are saying,
Millard,
sir, clarify things, na?
I have
From the beginning, I'm asking, who has taken money? We say person running the
No,
fleet,
finance,
person running the
Millard,
fleet, you are
this
saying.
system is like this, Millard. I am
Sir,
not
just,
clear
I
to
know
that.
the system, but the person
All
running
the
the fleet is
fin-
not taking money. The Sundaram Finance has taken money from.
Owners has given the vehicle to me, so, and he assured that arrange finance, they have taken me to the financer. Financer was taken money for documentation. That is
Oh,
mentioned.
so,
It
I mean,
is
documentation
exhibited.
also
So
there.
gist of the matter, your lordship, what is the grievance? That is, I said, this is the thing. Though I have succeeded all.
Okay, 3, 4, 5, issue notice. 6, 7. 6, 7, 7, Charlie. 6.
1, 2, Millard.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2.
All need to be issued notice. Issue notice by a registered post. Returnable on 6th February.
Public.
Item number 2.
Which one? अरे मो एंती ना देखरी कवर कर देला हिजो कवर हिजो ना बहिर कवर हिची कवर कर दे
Director to take instructions.
I don't know that what is Dhananjay Charan Dey and blah blah blah
Assignment nahi.
आपण हां सेटा नाही आवर सेंती भी नाही ये देखो प्रेजेंट पिटिशन देखो फाइलिंग से देखो
Item number 2.
granted 3
Item number 3.
password ଗୋଟେ କଣ କରୁନି
On
ଆରୁ
behalf of-
କରନ୍ତୁ
On behalf of Mr. J.K. Kunti.
ଆରୁ କରନ୍ତୁ password
My lord.
କଣ
limited-
ଇସ୍ୟୁ କଣ କଣ
Limitation petition has been rejected.
Hmm?
Limitation petition has
କୋଉଠି?
been rejected. by
Consumer
the-
forum
My lord, state.
ସାର୍ ଏଇ କଞ୍ଜୁମର ଫୋରମରେ ସବୁ ଲିମିଟେସନ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କଲେ ବି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ସବୁ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟର କାମ ଏଇଟା ରହିଗଲା କାହାର ଲିମିଟେସନ ଏଠି ସେଠି ସଲ୍ଭ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ why should I just entertain this kind of petitions ଯିବେ କେତେ ଦିନ ଡିଲେ
7 years.
7 years ଡିଲେ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବି ସରି
ସେଟା
ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବି
latest of the
କିଛି କରିବି
concerned
ନାହିଁ
advocate
7 year ଡିଲେ ପାଇଁ ମୋ ପାଖରେ କୌଣସି ଇଏ ନାହିଁ
cost may be
କଣ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲାନେସନ କଣ
explanation ସେ ଗୋଟେ new trawler କିଣିଥିଲେ that was
explanation of delay I am saying
delay that is I have mentioned
କଣ
delay lapses of the advocate mail.
advocate delay ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ଇଏ କରିଦେବି
Yes, not
ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ common
intimate the client.
ଏଇଟା common ସେଟା the petitioner has filed the writ petition
Ma-
challenging the illegal challenging the order dated 29/12/2022 passed by the Honorable President State Consumer Redressal Forum Cuttack in MC number 248 of 2022 and MC number 249 of 2020 arising out of CDA number 3636 blah 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 likhi devala, wherein the review petition has been rejected on the ground of 7 years delay. Full stop. When after perusing the I account delay application kai
To annexure. Lordship owned. Two 49, IA number 249.
kodi I number 249
Aye.
kodi
It a page 23, my lord.
kodi ଅଛି ବାକି
Page 23.
ଏଇଟା I number. There is no proper explanation for the ground of delay, which though he has, I mean, the grounds of delay explained in the IA number 248 of 2020 doesn't explain about the proper cause of the delay. Only it has given, only it has made the lawyer responsible for the delay, which cannot be accepted, accordingly dismissed for dismissed.
My lord, otherwise he will suffer, my lord.
He has to suffer. What to do? କିଛି କରିହେବନି 7 ବର୍ଷ delay ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କିଛି
ସାତ
କରିପାରିବିନି।
ବର୍ଷ ସେ ଜାଣିନଥିଲା ତା
ସେ ଜାଣିଥିଲା ନ ଜାଣିଥିଲା ମୁଁ
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ
କିଛି
ଟାଇମ
ସାର୍ ଏ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଟେ ଜଣେ ଲଗେଇଛି ସାର୍ 7 ବର୍ଷରେ ସେ ଚୁପ ପଡିଥିଲା ଜାଣିନଥିଲା ସେ କଣ ଜାଣିದೆ ଇଏ ଚୁପ ସଫର କି କଣ କରିବ
partly allowed, my lord.
ପାର୍ଟି ଲାଗୁ ଅଧା ହେଲା ହଉ 7 ବର୍ଷ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆମ ଡିଲେ କଲେ ବାସ୍ ମତେ ଡିଲେର ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନେସନ ବି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଲୟର ଇଏ କରିଦେଲା କମନ ନା ଆଜିକାଲି ଲୟର ଡିଲେ କରିଦେଲା ବାସ୍ ହେଇଗଲା କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏଭ୍ରି ଡେ ଅଫ ଦ ଡିଲେ ହ୍ୟାଜ ଟୁ ବି ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ୍ ସାର୍ there is no explanation.
Not intimate the party.
Yeah, that is not a ground for it. Sorry, I can't. This this court cannot condone the delay. Hence dismissed. Next.
Item
ଆପଣ
4.
ଯେକୌଣସି କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଯିବେ କେହି କଲନନ କରିବେନି ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଗଲେ ବି କଣ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଆହୁରି କଷ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇଦବ ମୁଁ ତ କୌଣସି କଷ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇନି ରକ୍ଷା କରନ୍ତୁ ମିନିମମ୍ କଷ୍ଟ ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଗଲେ କଷ୍ଟ ଏମିତିଆ ଡିଲେରେ କଷ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ yes next 5
Item number 4.
Item number 4, may please lordship, my lord. Here, my lord, the petitioner organization is running a elderly home, my lord. They have been receiving, which was started in the year 2018-19, my lord. They have been receiving granting aid from the year 2018, 19, 20, and 21, my lord. In the
elderly home where is it
Nimapada, my lord.
Nimapada. How many people are there staying
50 elderly women, my lord.
there? Elderly.
They have been receiving granting
Don't
aid.
say elderly say old age old age home don't say elderly home this is actually old age home
Mal.
there we give you the geriatric care
Geriatric.
the old age care is called geriatric care.
Mal. So they have been receiving granting aid regularly, my lord, but in the year 2021 and 22, it has been sanctioned and also validated, my lord. But till date, they
What
have,
is your grievance?
my lord, they have not been releasing the granting aid in the organization, my lord.
How much
For the year 2000, my lord.
how much granting aid you are supposed to get?
My lord, 25 lakhs 56,563.
Granting aid.
My lord. It has already been sanctioned, my lord, under Annexure 3 and 4. Page number
When was it sanctioned?
33/2022 and revalidated in the month of 24/6/2022, my lord.
Grant कर दीजिए देना दे आपको
Sanctioned also, my lord.
अच्छा yes Mr. Union of India.
My lord, I will take instruction in this regard, my lord. Just I received
He
this
is saying you have sanctioned but you are not paying the money.
but in this regard, I want to take instruction, my lord.
In a similar matter, my lord, the direction has been given to dispose of the matter, my lord. A similar direction has been given by my lord's, my lord.
कौन बोले डिस्कस
In WPC 21860.
कौन है जी ऑर्डर तो देख ले मतलब this is also old age home.
My lord.
Same.
Same, my lord. It has already been sanctioned, my lord. They are not releasing the said amount.
So you just do one thing. I'm just disposing it up, directing that they will give a representation to you and you decide it and just
Yes.
release it.
Yes.
See, this is a case, not that case you have an option of not releasing.
Yes.
You have to release because you have already sanctioned.
Okay.
Hello? Similar order କରି। ଆଉ ଯେମିତି court ଆସିବେ ନା ନ ଆସିବେ ହେଲା।
My
If
lord,
the
our
second time comes to court and if don't release, आपको 10-15 लाख cost use करो।
my lord, our appearance is noted.
हाँ, appearance आगे चिंता।
My lord, DSGI along with my name, my BK Padhi, my name.
Your
Virendra
name.
Padhi. Virendra
You are-
Padhi.
You are also PK Pari.
BK Padhi. Virendra Padhi.
Okay.
Yes.
Virendra Pari. Foreign of India. Mr. PK Pari along with Mr. Virendra Pari. Next.
Much obliged.
Item 5,
Mr. Jana,
Hmm.
he has for some personal difficulty, maybe urgent to any other.
କେତେ ଥର अर्जन ହେଲାଣି?
Along with the two other matters, similar matter has been filed that has been listed along with this.
First time.
First.
नहीं issue notice then.
Oh,
Notice issue कर दो जी sir.
two other matters are.
Present दियନ୍ତୁ ଅଛି already pending ଅଛି।
Yeah.
My lord, in this case, copy not serve, my lord.
ଗୋଟେ କପିରେ ସର୍ଭ କରିଦେବେ। The present petitioner challenges the decision of Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Government of India in the matter of issue of environmental clearance and the decision of the collector and district magistrate Ganjam in the matter of issuing the no objection certificate under Rule 33 of the Ammonium Nitrate Rules 2012 and the permission granted by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs in favor of the Messrs. Smart Chem Chemical Technology Limited. Now the what is it? Now the name has been changed to Mahadhan Agritech Limited for setting up the technical ammonium nitrate manufacturing plant located at DL City 1 Domestic Tariff Area, Gopalpur Industrial Park, Chamakhandi of Chhatrapur Tehsil in Ganjam district. Issue notice to the opposite party. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6 जनों को पढ़ा है ना? It's by registered post है ना? List the matter on February 20th.
Another matters
सेटा भी लगे थे।
yes,
Along with that, केवल लगी थी सेटा।
list ही नथिला।
Fresh था, list ना करके issue notice कर दी कि क्या बात करते हैं सर? बिना notice बिना ये रे अगर pending थिला ठीक है जोड़ी दी थी। Matter कौन अच्छी जाना नहीं मैं notice issue कर दी। वाह माने छुआ जन्म है नहीं छुआर नामकरण है गला।
Along with this matter may be listed.
जेमती केंद्र सरकार मझे गुटे institution
item number 6,
6
Lordship,
क्या है सर भूल जाते हो?
Sorry.
बेसिक राति न शुइले ये अवस्था यदि समस्ते 7 घंटा रात्रे जो न शुइबो
6
क्या पूजा पाठ करिक पूरा आज
no,
को मंदिर जाती?
Chandi month.
Oh my god, क्या कुछ स्पेशल?
No.
Okay, now argue. If you argue, you'll get without puja also you'll get. Don't worry.
Lordship, in this case, the petitioner challenging the rejection order dated 30/10/2023, where the
What is the rejection order?
Lordship rejected the discharge petition, where the petitioner challenges on the ground of jurisdiction. The case FIR lodged in Mohanga PS, but the cause of action arises on Kendrapada Sadar PS case. Because of 498A case, the Lorent trial court rejected the discharge petition.
What is the ground for rejection?
Ground is, Your Lordship, that as per CRLMC number 2596 of 2015, Honorable High Court directed a case under section 498A of the Indian Penal Code can be filed at a place where a woman resides after leaving or being driven out of matrimonial home on account of cruelty.
Now where is the girl staying?
Girl staying under Mahanga PS.
Mahanga PS.
FIR registered, Lordship, this is right, but our point is.
Have you heard one word called zero FIR?
Yes, sir,
क्या होता है वो?
Lordship.
Zero FIR क्या होता है? बताओ पहले.
जे भी माने जोठी जदि non cognizable offense होची, then he can institute an FIR under any PS, and after that for investigation this PS can direct to another
तो
PS.
जदि से wrong जगह रे कला सेठी पड़े असुविधा कौन?
But Lordship, charge sheet submitted by Mahanga PS. The cause of action I raise at Kendrapada Sadar PS. So on that ground, we have
What is he saying?
challenges.
This is a continuing offense, 490
Hmm.
Now the wife, the complaint is staying in her with her parents.
Parents कोड रोज मांगा
Manga.
रे.
So she can lodge a FIR.
So FIR अपन लॉन्च कले केंद्रापड़ा.
No, Mahanga PS.
मांगा रे कले ना.
Mahanga re korichunti
से
seta
ट्रांसफर ही.
seta investigation ପାଇଁ କେନ୍ଦ୍ରାପଡ଼ା ସଦର PS କୁ ଯାଇଥିଲା, to proper investigation can be done, but Mahanga PS vindictively.
अरे मांगा तुम्हार जदि तुम्हें suppose you are alleging something at your in-laws house, your matrimonial house is in केंद्रापड़ा.
Okay.
So naturally केंद्रापड़ा police will be better equipped to investigate than the Mahanga.
But investigation done by Mahanga PS coming under Cuttack jurisdiction.
How does it matter? एक district गुड़ा बाका बाका कौन आती बात? आये इतने बड़ा issue उठे कौन? That issue.
Let's see,
It's a
fresh
small
matter notice.
Hmm?
Fresh matter notice.
You have to convince.
Let's see, for proper trial, for proper adjudication, let's see,
The Mahanga PS Odisha police training नहीं खाली सी केंद्रापड़ा वाला नहीं सी. ते भी बिजू पटनायक ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट ट्रेनिंग नहीं गिरी पड़ी गिरी जाई थी वो ना से पुलिस ऑफिसर. तो से तक भी से ट्रेनिंग मिली थी वो. असुविधा कौन? मांगरू गला ट्रेनिंग गला से केंद्रापड़ा वाला नहीं से एठू गला कला कौन असुविधा? कौन नहीं? हमारे ओडिशा पुलिस बहुत समय अलग अलग जगह को जाकर करूँ नहीं. कुछ ना नहीं. महाराष्ट्र ओडिशा पुलिस एडी क्राइम करी महाराष्ट्र पुलिस लोग. ओडिशा पुलिस जाऊ ना नहीं सेठी इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जब पड़ुची. तो एठी असुविधा कौन? लेट द सेम डिस्ट्रिक्ट. क्या प्रॉब्लम है बोलो?
district, let's see, it's coming under
अलगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट महंगा
केंद्रापड़ा
District अलगा है.
अलगा अछि कोएटा कटक डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे फाइल
यार
cause of action सेठी इन्वेस्टिगेशन टा तांको
कौन
द्वारा
असुविधा है मते कहो भाषा एते कथा नहीं ए भेला
Lordship, omnibus allegations लागिची.
You are for the boy and a girl.
I am for the parents, in-laws.
Parent.
Yes, sir. Lordship.
Parent. Parent FIR आपन कौन रोल अछि?
Role is that, Lordship, I mean, dowry had taken, but after
केते एज होची पेरेंट्स को?
parents, Lordship, 79 years. Niranjan Pradhan, 79 years, father-in-law. Then one uncle-in-law, 72 years. Then
All are
mother-in-law,
septuagenarian.
70 years. All are above 70.
All are septuagenarian. They are approaching to octogenarian. Anyway, I will give you relief, but I will issue notice after that.
Mediation ला
हाँ? किसी दरकार नहीं बस 79 रो सीधा उड़े दो कौन मेडिएशन लंबा आस्ते बुढ़ा बुढ़ी को नहीं ठीक आस्ते बस चुप सकता किसी नहीं. I am just issuing notice but assuring that it will be.
complainant को
तुम
पार्टी
इतना पूजा पाठ करके आए हो ना उसका तो फल मिलेगा जरूर मिलेगा. ओके ठीक है वेलकम.
complainant पार्टी को complaint notice
କରୁଛୁ ପରା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ ନୋଟିସ୍ ନହେଲେ ଆଜି ଏବେ ଉଡେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି. The petitioners are challenging the order dated 30/10/2023 passed by the learned JMFC Salipur in GR case number 859 of 2012 arising out of Mahanga PS case number 193 of 2012 wherein the learned magistrate has rejected the petition filed by the petitioner under section 227 of CRPC read with section 156 of CRPC. The petitioner, learned counsel petitioner submits that the I think I submit पछरे article लिख दे हम the petitioner through the the petitioner submit that the FIR was registered against the petitioners and 4 others for alleged commission of offences punishable under section 498A/323/374/379/506/334 of IPC read with section 4 of BP Act. Hala? Issue notice to the complainant. Issue notice.
Grateful.
Only one party, opposite party.
Yes.
अरे पार्टी करना कंप्लेन क्या करते हो भाई? इतना पूजा पाठ करने का क्या फायदा हुआ? पार्टी ही नहीं बनाया तुमने.
Lordship got the parliamentary.
You add party complaint petitioner to include the complaint as a party during the course of the recording.
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes.
If you don't include, I can't issue notice also. आसु 16 तारीख से. हला आज करते 16 लगा कुछ. 17 करते सब. कैसे तुम भूल जाते हो इसे? How could you forget this? Next.
Item 7.
May I please,
Yes.
petitioner has been sentenced to undergo
Any
RI for
problem?
6 months. Petitioner has been sentenced to undergo
Any
RI.
problem?
It court lordship got the government.
माने कोर्ट रे कौन करते? इम्प्लीमेंट एप्लीकेशन फाइल कोर्ट रे का आसी पेंसिल लिख दी पड़ेबो ना कौन? हां बकवास शॉर्टकट रास्ता. हां तम घरु जो दिन कोर्ट को हेलिकॉप्टर आसीबो से दिन शॉर्टकट एलो करिवि. और शॉर्टकट सेटा गोटे ही शॉर्टकट. सेटा जदि करि परिबो एटा भी करि परिबो. हला सेटा केबे हबनी एटा भी केबे हबनी. जा. ओके नेक्स्ट.
May I please? Petitioner has been sentenced to undergo RI for 6 months for the offence under section 138 of NI Act Miller.
एनआई
NI Act Miller.
कौन
6
माने कन्विक्शन
conviction.
केते हिची?
6 months. 6 months.
6 मंथ.
Again.
केते टका दबाक पड़छि?
Check amount Miller 9,50,000 Miller.
9 लाख जमा कलेक्ट करछथि किसी?
Sir, 2 lakh has already been deposited during appeal period.
2 लाख
2 lakh 4,000.
आपण का गोटे काम कर आउट ऑफ लाख डिपॉजिट करंतु आपण रिपोर्ट आउट ऑफ लाख विदिन 15 डेज 9 लाख समथिंग अछि आज्ञा आउट ऑफ लाख जमा डिपॉजिट करंतु इशू नोट सॉरी एडमिट the ICC case number 220/279 can be stayed till the disposal of the criminal division. Subject to payment of rupees 2 lakh before deposit of rupees 2 lakh before the court rate achi
JMFC Jajpur Road.
JMFC
Jajpur Road.
Jajpur road. Out 2 lakh deposit karantu.
1 lakh.
Huh?
1.
I can't buy it market bargaining. Huh? Ki kotha kohutandi 1 lakh 2 lakh. ଆପଣ 9 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦେବାର ଅଛି ଆପଣ 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ମାତ୍ର ଦେଇକି ଆରାମ ସେ ବସିବେ ମୁଁ ତ ଆହୁରି ଅଧିକ କହିବା କଥା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମୁହଁ ଦେଖିକି ଟିକେ କମ କରିଦେଲି ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ମାନେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ର ମାନେ ଦର୍ଦ ଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି ଦେଖ ବେଲ୍ଟ ବେଲ୍ଟ ଅଛି यदि डिपॉजिट करेंगे 15 दिन भीतर 15 दिन भीतर नॉट डिपॉजिट कले देन आई विल पास अनदर ऑर्डर विल बी वेरी gloomy face order that will make your face gloomy further. Okay, next.
Item 8.
May I please? While annexure 1 a loan was sanctioned, a cash credit loan was sanctioned for 2.25 lakhs, 2 crore 25 lakhs. It was in the year 2016.
2 crore 25 lakh.
2 crore 25 lakhs. It became NPA milled in the year 2019. Then millets in the year 2022 milled, there was a proposal of OTS milled. And when the amount was 3 crore 13 lakhs 73,000 milled, the OTS proposal was 2 crore settlement of 2 crore 28 lakhs. And accordingly, as per direction milled, the petitioner has deposited 22 lakhs 80,000 milled. You know, kindly see annexure 2 milled. last three line, transfer from NHPS or OTS amount, my lord.
That
was-
is upfront amount.
That was upfront amount, my lord. But the bank could not, after depositing up to 10% of the upfront amount, my lord, the bank didn't take any action, my lord, didn't issue any letter, my lord. Then, my lord, again another my lord, OTS proposal, and a meeting was held. And accordingly, my lord, this cash credit account and other petty account, my lord, the amount was 4 crores.
Now what is the
Now, my lord,
why
sir,
have you come here?
Where this cell notice has been published.
no, I have not challenged the sale notice here, my lord.
No, now what are you?
But well, sale notice, there is another provision, and before the but
It has
other
been failed
no
thereafter.
but such type of submission, my lord, let me-
Just
just a minute, my lord. For the my lord, sale certificate, issuance of the sale notice, my lord, another
पैसा देवे की
ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା, that is
କେତେ
a
ଦେବେ?
my lord,
सीधा
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା, ସେଟା ପାଇଁ କି ପୁଣି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ just a minute ଗୋଟେ complete
total
କରିଦିଏ
outstanding
ଟିକେ
କେତେ ଅଛି? Outstanding କେତେ?
ଟିକେ
Outstanding
complete
ଅଛି
କରିଦିଏ।
ଯୋଉ ସେଲ୍ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ରେ ଦେଖୁଛି ସେଲ୍ ନୋଟିସ ରେ ଦେଖୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି 5,18,18,000
ପାଞ୍ଚ
କୋଟି।
5,18,15,992
ସେଟା 4 କୋଟି ଆଜ୍ଞା। ବେଲେ ହୁଅନ୍ତି ଜଷ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ଟିକେ 2 ମିନିଟ୍ ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଟିକେ ତରତର ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ମତେ ଟିକେ ସବମିଶନ କରିବାକୁ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି, ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ 2 ମିନିଟ୍ କହିଦିଏ।
ହଉ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ସେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡା ମ୍ୟାଟର ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଉଠିଛି ତ, ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବି ମୁଁ ବି ତରତର ତାଙ୍କ ମ୍ୟାଟର କେମିତି ସରିଯିବ।
ହଉ ମୁଁ ଜଲ୍ଦି ସାରି ଆପଣ ଜଲ୍ଦି କରନ୍ତୁ।
Sir, when the amount was 4 crore 81 lakhs 65,000 million, a meeting was held, million, and in terms of the meeting,
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ସବୁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦେଇଦେବେ
3
କି?
କୋଟି 40
ଦେବେ
ଲକ୍ଷରେ
କି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଦେବେ,
OTS
ଦେବେ,
ହେଲା।
ଦେବେ।
3 କୋଟି 40 ଲକ୍ଷରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା 34 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରିଛି 10 ମାସରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା as a upfront amount।
34-30 ଲକ୍ଷ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ।
ନାଇଁ
ସେ
3 କୋଟି 34 ଲକ୍ଷରେ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ କି 34 ଲକ୍ଷ ନେଇଗଲା।
ଲକ୍ଷ ନାହିଁ କୋଟି।
ସବୁବେଳେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସବୁବେଳେ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଅପଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଟା ନେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି, ଅପଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ନେଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ ଆଉ କିଛି କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଅପଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ନେଇକି ତ ପଳଉଛନ୍ତି।
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ଖାଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଡିସିସନ ଟା ଜଣେଇଦେଲେ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା କରନ୍ତୁ
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଯଦି ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଡିସିସନ ଜଣେଇ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଜଣା ହେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କାହିଁକି?
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି, ରଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମଙ୍ଗଳବାରକୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ
ତାହେଲେ ଥାଉ ଆଜ୍ଞା, ମଙ୍ଗଳବାରକୁ ରହୁ ଭାଇ।
ନ ଦେଇକି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଲ୍ ନୋଟିସ କେମିତି ବାହାର କରିବ?
ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆନେସ୍ଥିରେ ଯୋଉ ପଇସାଟା ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର
ଗୋଟା
ପଇସା କେତେ ମସିହାରେ କେତେ ତାରିଖରେ?
ଏବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖେଇଛି 19/10/2023 ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହଁ ଆଜି କେତେ ହେଲା?
କେତେ ହେଲା
ଏଇଟା କୋଉ ଇକୋ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ?
ନା
ସାର୍
ମୋର
ପିଏନବି ସାର୍, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ ହଉଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଲିଅନ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟରେ, ତେଣୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରୁ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କଲେ ସେଟା ନ ଲେଟ୍।
ସେଟା ଆମେ କୋଉଠି ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛୁ?
ହଁ ସେଇଟା ତ ପଇସାଟା ନେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍, ସେଠି ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ ନ କରିକି ଲୋନ୍ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି, ତାପରେ ସାର୍ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଟାକୁ ବଢେଇକି ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ସେଇଠି ପଇସାଟାକୁ ହେଲେ ଡିଡକ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତି ଆମ ଲୋନ୍ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟରୁ,
ଡିଡକ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ 100 ହରିଆଣା ହେଇଯିବ। ସେ
ମାନେ ଏ ପଇସା ବି ରଖି ପକେଇବ, ତାପରେ ବିକିକି ବି ପଇସା ନେଇଯିବ।
ତାହେଲେ ଡିଡକ୍ଟ କରିଦଉଛି, ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଆଗେ ଡିଡକ୍ଟ କରିଦଉଛି, ସେ ହଇରାଣ
This is the peril of taking loan, sir. Peril of taking bank loan.
Sir, now my advice to my clients is more than cancerous. Don't take the loan, otherwise cancer ରେ ବଞ୍ଚିବାର ବାଟ ଅଛି, ଏଥିରେ ବଞ୍ଚିବାର ବାଟ ନାହିଁ।
ତ ଗୋଟେ ସମୟ ହେଇଛି।
Sir, loan is more than
Sir,
cancer.
loan ଟା ନେଇଛନ୍ତି, ପଇସା ଫେରେଇବେନି କେମିତି? Public
13-2
money,
ହେଲା, 13-4 ହେଲା,
they are dealing with public
Sir,
money.
regularly they are paying many money. Sir, I have annexed the statement mirror. If your lordship will see the statement mirror, your
ଯଦି
lordship will found mirror.
ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ଆପଣ ବୁଧବାର କି ବୁଧବାର
ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ଦିନ ରହୁନା, ସେ କହିଲେଣି କଣ ସେଲ୍ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଆଜି ହେଇଯାଇଛି ବୋଲି, ସେ ପୁଣି
ସେଲ୍ ନୋଟିସ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାକୁ ସମୟ ଅଛି।
ବୁଧବାର ଆସନ୍ତୁ। ଗୋଟେ
ସେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ସେଲ୍ ନୋଟିସ ହେଇଛି, ତାଙ୍କ ନୋଟିସ ପାଇଲା ପରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି।
ओके ठीक है, आई नो दैट। आपको लगता है कि मुझे पता नहीं होता ऐसा। नेक्स्ट
Item number 10.
10
My lord, this matter may taken off next week because that is a crop insurance benefit. So, Mr. Behera, he is also ill. It may taken off.
बेरा
Gokha Behera.
सेटा की आपण का पे अछंती
For Gokha Behera, I'm for
तांका पाई अछंती
Tagya. It may taken off 1 week after.
ओके
And 52 also, same, both are same.
6th 7th April
Yes.
February
sir.
7th February
And 52 also, same.
52 7th
Oblai, sir.
next
Item number 11.
11 no instruction what is your name Afrin next
Item number 12.
12
Here the petitioner challenges the order dated 28th February 2017 passed by the State Consumer Commission Cuttack in FA number 220 of 2016.
You are for the
I'm for the petitioner.
petitioner. कौन है इधर? Why are you challenging this?
Here in this matter, the one
ऐसे
execution.
फाइल पढ़ी ना पढ़ी ना मत बोलो बोलो सत्य कथा कहो सत्य कथा पढ़ी ना
आगे
काई देखी गोटे गारे तो पढ़ी नी
पढ़ी
गोटे एटा लागी नी अरे काई गोटे लागी नी
पढ़ी से छोटे मैटर टा एजुकेशन सर ऑर्डर हेतला in favor of the DHR and thereafter state consumer partly allow kale.
What happened from the beginning? In the गप
Non-provided-
गप लेके बुझिबो
Electricity sir provide करनथले opposite.
कौन हैला जे मुडर स्टार्टिंग पूरा स्टार्टिंग from the base level to
For available of जो electricity complaint has been filed before the district
for available
commission.
electricity कौन है माने कौन है
The electricity connection sir avail करिया ପାଇଁ provide करनथले sir.
applied for
Electricity connection but
from the SESU, right?
My
Then
lord,
what happened?
they are not providing the electricity connection.
You
After that,
deposited the amount, required amount. Have you deposited?
my lord, everything has been done, but
No, don't say
there-
everything has been done. Tell me what you have done actually. What have you done actually? Everything doesn't mean everything. Something must be missing. Tell me, what have you done exactly?
my lord, here the problem is that
I am not going to the problem. Did I ask the problem? I said everything. What are the things you have done? That everything. What are the everything?
here already the connection has been provided, but then disconnected. Thereafter, the complainant lodged.
Connection has been provided, then disconnected. Why the disconnection? You have not paid the bill. Definitely something has happened. Disconnection kahin kara jibo? Unless you pay the bill, then they'll definitely do something. Disconnection कब में कले? अरे यार नहीं पढ़ के यहाँ आगे सीधा पन्ना खोलते रहते हो इधर.
I have read that.
What is the reason? ये दी चारटा पेज पढ़िके आसी पारन मिछ कौच पढ़िके आसी पढ़ि देबो आला वाला देखा जाउनी
ना
से पढ़नु कोउनो को पई कोन पई डिस्कनेक्ट करा गला त लिखा हितिबो ना कोठी कोठे जे खाली त डिस्कशन करिवे नै आदर पैसा देई नथिबे आपण जुटे हेतिबो तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ड्यूज न देले डिस्कनेक्ट कर देबेनी
ସେଟା जो ट्रांसफॉर्मर नथिला बोली कि डिस्कनेक्ट हेतला तापरे ऑर्डर हैला कि तम कनेक्शन प्रोवाइड करिया ପାଇଁ
ट्रांसफार्मर नथिला बोली डिस्कनेक्ट
but
कर
they are trying to restore the electricity and the local persons are object to for that connection. That is
Okay, issue notice to the opposite party. That's the first forum inconvenience. Wrong forum, sir. This will go central SESU, general. Okay, issue notice to the opposite party. He Pramod Kumar Das kid. Why is made a party? Fuji.
is in the department.
Huh?
The electricity department person.
A department in the personally can apna ye kariye. Department लोकटा तो
One to
पर्सनली कहीं नहीं
four
तो कोले तो कौन था डेजिग्नेशन कौन कौन आदि 95 एक्ट की
Sir 1 to 4 को notice.
हाँ
1 to 4 को notice.
এই দুইটা না কোন में লিখেছে তো 1 to 4 को नोटिस এই দুইটা না কোন में ये 95 नायक या प्रमोद कुमार दास की है दिए कुछ भी नहीं जाओ पेपर करके आओ ऐसे मत आओ डोंट कम लाइक दिस आई डोंट अप्रिशिएट दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग लॉ कॉन्सेप्ट petitioner is directed to come prepared on 18th जान दो पढ़ी के आसन दो आधा आधा पढ़ी के आसन दो ये चार पांचटा पढ़िया पे इतने कष्ट लागुଛି next
Item 13.
13
Your Lordship, on behalf of Mr. S.K. Dwivedi, prep for one week.
1 week time कब में
Vital means.
हाँ भाई तो फाइल तो मिसप्लेस हम नो नांती दे दो फाइल दे दो आज यार को करिए हाँ अबे जाके फोटोकॉपी करके आने की दियंतु फोटोकॉपी करके आने की दियंतु आगो ନେଇକିରି ପଳେଇବେନି NBW ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିଦେବି ପୁରା ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ଫେରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ଆଣିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ନାହିଁ ସିଧା ଫେବୃଆରୀ 15 ଯାଇକି ନେଇକି ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 14.
14
Item friend, challenging the order of the learned SDGM while rejecting the release of the vehicle Swift Desire gas who has been connected with the NDPS Act. He is the owner of the car.
NDPS.
Yes, my lord.
So yes, Mr. Moon. 19 ରୁ ହେଲାଣି ସେ ଗାଡି ଗାଡି ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଥିବ
ସେ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ ଥିଲା ଏବେ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ
ଗାଡି ତ ଯାଇଥିବ ଏବେ
ଯାହା ଥିବ ସେ
ଆଚାର
ହଁ
ହେଇଛି
ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଅଛି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଇଜ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇନି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ବି
ନା ଗାଡିଟା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି
ଗାଡି ଥାନାରେ ଅଛି
ଆଉ ଥିବ ଗାଡିରେ କିଛି ଥିବ ଆଉ
ଯାହା ଥିବ
ସବୁ ଖୋଳି ଖାଲି ନେଇକି ସାରିଥିବେ
ଆସିଛି ଆଗରୁ
Okay, issue notice ହେଇଛି
ନା ନା
issue notice to the project date give a copy ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି copy take a section କଣ ହେଇଛି 6th February next 15
May I please? The order of rejection of discharge petition filed by the petition. This petition has been.
why do you want discharge
My lord, the petitioner has not been charge sheeted. And the eyewitness, only eyewitness has not stated, not whispered the name of the present petition.
then your name Sapna hua police ko was it did the police
Police not charge sheeted, my lord.
who नहीं ମାନେ କିଛି ତ ଆଣିଥିବ ନା
319 petition
ମେଟେରିଆଲ ଆଣିଥିଲେ ତ ହେଇଥିବ ନା ପୋଲିସ କିଏ ଆଣିବ ଜଜ୍ ଯାଇକିରି ଖୋଜିକି ଆଣିବ ପୋଲିସ definitely would have given some clue to the judge ତାପରେ ଦେଇଛି
This is the evidence of eyewitness, only eyewitness.
I'm not on that sir how your name then why have you come for discharge then
319 petition ta allow hala, I have been implicated as an accused. Arraigned as an
Sir,
accused.
you have been implemented what was your role କିଛି ରୋଲ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ତ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିଡ୍ ହେଲେ ଆଉ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଡିସଚାର୍ଜ କରିବି ମୁଁ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଆସୁ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଆପଣ ଯଦି କିଛି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ତ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଫ୍ରି ଯିବେ ଖତମ ଡିସଚାର୍ଜ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ what is his role Mr. Moon এই লোকের রোল কোন সরি page You are the conspirator, sir. You are one of the conspirator. How do you say that you don't have to do anything?
I had not been charge sheeted, my lord.
Maybe,
At the time of-
maybe. Later it was discovered. Later you discovered. Okay, issue notice. Issue notice to the opposite party.
7, 8, 10, 18, 25. They have before.
Anyway, 1, 2, 3 notice. Sir.
Man.
By registered post. Yeah, because it will be filed within 3 working days from today. List the matter on 8th February.
I filed an IM that may
I for
stay up for the.
I came the mistake or next date not soon as mistake or
Accused of-
High Court, he is the main culprit of delay High Court is with this. Samudra stay there. So agar se tala court kichi move karibe tar everybody will shout ama desare etiki delay hochi kam delay hobani it is state lagay dithwa se kichi padibani konta hobo I am not granting any stay sorry
18th red.
8 decide karibe stay fe debini mu kichi debini ha short date doji 24 तारीख आसे
18th रे अछि
ताऊ हेले तिला कोन हेला 18 रे प्रोजेक्ट आपण
I
फासी
will
दे
file
देबो
an adjournment petition that may be.
आपण देंतु घर मु काई लिखि जीवो आपण देबे से आपण से कन्विंस करिवे सेठी तदिन 18 दिन लागिला फासी दे देबो से दिन से हबा नै ना वेट करंतु ଏଠି ଷ୍ଟେ ଦେବାଟା ବହୁତ ଖରାପ।
notice ଟା ଯାଉ।
ଆମେ ବହୁତ ସମୟ ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ବି କୋଉ କେସରେ ଫେସ୍ କରୁଥିବେ ଷ୍ଟେଟା ଲାଗିଛି ସେଆଡେ ଆଗକୁ ବଢୁନି ଆଉ କେସ୍ ବଢିବନି ସେଠି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଲେ ସେ ବ୍ୟାକଲଗ ବଢି ବଢି ଚାଲିଥିବ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଷ୍ଟେ ପାଇଁ କେସ୍ ବଢୁନି ଯାହା ହେଲେ ପଳେଇ ଆଉଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ନେଇକି ପଳଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ବି ଏକଦମ ମାଇଣ୍ଡଲେସଲି ଷ୍ଟେ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛୁ that's wrong actually I am not going to do that no yes
Item 16,
24th next Mr.
16.
Dan
Obtain instruction.
ମାଇକ୍ ଟିକେ ତଳକୁ କରନ୍ତୁ be mic friendly now
Instruction ପାଇଥିଲ।
କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଷ୍ଟେଟ
Matters.
କୋଉଠୁ ବୁଡିଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
Well,
well ରେ
matters.
well ରେ ଝମ୍ପି
Back side of the house.
ଝମ୍ପି ହେଇଥିବ
First case ରେ one ରେ second house କଣ ରେ?
Second
well କୁ କେମିତି ଗଲା ସେ
Second କଣ ରାତିରେ ଖେଳୁଥିଲା
ଆରେ well ଝଡାଝଡି ଲାଗିଥିବ ଦିଆ ମାରି ଦେଇଥିବ ସେଠି
ଯାହା ହେଇଥାଉ।
କଣ
Second ଟା ପାଇଲାନି।
କୋଉ ଫେଲିୟର ଲଭ୍ ଫେଲିୟର କି କୋଉ ଫେଲିୟର ହେଇଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ନହେଲେ ପଇସା ପତ୍ର କଣ କି ଠକି ଟୁକା ନେଇଥିବ ଯାଇଥିବ ଯାଇକି ନା ଝଗଡା ଲାଗିଥିବ ନହେଲେ ତା ୱାଇଫ ସଙ୍ଗେ କେମିତି ହେଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ କୂଅରେ କେମିତି ପଡିଲେ ଏମିତି ମାନେ ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ଥିଲା କୂଅଟା ଏମିତି ଗଲାବେଳେ ଏମିତି ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ଥିଲା ନା କିଛି ତାର ଯୋଉ ଥାଏ ଉଚ୍ଚା ଇଏ ନଥାଏ ୱାଲ ତ ଥାଏ ୱାଲ ଥିଲା ନା ନଥିଲା ସେ କେମିତିଆ କୂଅ ସାର୍ କୂଅ କେମିତିଆ କୂଅ ଭଲ କଥା ଆପଣ କେମିତିଆ କୂଅ ଥିଲା
My lords, during course of 12
at night
at night about 10:30 p.m. while he came to attend for call in nature, he fell down into a well situated in the backside of the house of his brother-in-law, which was covered with some tree branches. His uncle, along with his in-law,
ମାନେ ସେ କୂଅ କେମିତି ଥିଲା ଲେଖିନି ଆପଣ ସେଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇନି ମାନେ ବହୁତ ସାମରେ କଣ ଗାଁ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ଥାଏ ଏତେ ଉଚ୍ଚା ନଥାଏ ସିମ୍ପଲି ପଥର ଫଥର ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଗୋଲ କରି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି କାଳେ କି ପଡିଯିବ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ପକ୍କା ହେଇଥିଲେ
କିଛି boundary
ହଁ
ନଥାଏ।
ଗୋଟେ ବାଉଣ୍ଡ୍ରି ଥିବ ବାଉଣ୍ଡ୍ରି ନଥିଲା
ହଁ
ଆପଣ ଯାଇକି ପଡିଗଲେ
boundary ନଥିବ ବୋଧେ ସେଠି ପଡିଥିବ ଆଉ।
এটা জানিবা বহুত জরুরি because otherwise wrong person should not get this compensation right person should get
This is I because yesterday evening I want to talk with the Tahsildar madam. Tahsildar transfer from Telangana to Balani district madam. So I put this type of given and so the second case in concern we have already disbursed the amount of 4 lakhs.
second case
Second of 4 lakh दिया है 3 लाख पापा को 3 लाख मां
second case টা কত এটা সেটা अलग अलग লোক এটা দুইজন अलग
Second already paisa.
ଆପଣ ମାସକରେ କେତେଟା ଏମିତିଆ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସିଆ ଦିଲାନ୍ତି ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ କେତେଟା 10ଟା 20ଟା କେତେଟା ଫେଲ କରନ୍ତି ଜାଲ ପୁରା ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଜାଗା ବିଛେଇକି ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ मछली आ जाते हैं अच्छा सेकंड टा माने कोटा माने विथ टा
Second paisa.
ए सुशील भाई इट्स डिफरेंट केस
Minus.
खाली नेचर ऑफ केस बोले कनेक्ट ହେଇଛି बोले
Se paisa.
okay the petition number 14739 टा लिख दे since the petitioner has already received the ex gratia payment
of rupees 4 lakhs 2 lakhs each
of rupees 4 lakhs 2 lakh each
to the father and mother
to the father and mother of the deceased petitioner father na father का petition लिख देगा तो father mother क्या लिखो किसी लगता the petitioner in full and final settlement na hence hence no cause of action survives accordingly disposed of and 16 hela आर matter टा हला the petitioner is state sorry not petitioner state to take instruction in this matter list the matter on 12th February hela next 17 ସେଟା ମେନ୍ ଜିନିଷ ବୁଝିଲେ ସେ एकदम ପ୍ଲେନ କୂଅ ଥିଲା ନା ଏମିତି ଇଏ ଥିଲା ଯଦି ଏମିତି ଥିଲା ମାନେ ଜରୁର ଦିଆ ମାରିଛି କିଛି ମିଳିବନି ଆଉ ଏମିତି ଥିଲା ଗୋଡ ହାତ ଖସିକି ପଡିଯିବ Next.
Just now I received the account statement from the bank, Your Lordship. So I have submitted my account statement and written note of submission. I have submitted and just
I
now.
have also filed the list of dates and submission.
Close. Let's close them. So finally, कौन है लाइट?
Here, my lord. My lord, he has paid the, my lord, the reserve price fixed for the, my lord, auction sale, 1 crore 50 lakhs.
So reserve price ଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ବାକି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି.
ବାକି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି. Now, my lord, around 35 lakhs outstanding. And he said that
That's it.
on rupees 5 lakhs, the loan account may be settled.
5 lakhs?
5 lakhs.
ଆଉ 5 lakh ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
And that,
Yes.
that has been
I'm
rejected.
ready to. I'm ready to.
So let her pay them and let's
No,
close
Lord,
it.
can see. Here, my lord, the problem is that the valuation of the property is more than 3 crores. And as per the guidelines of the bank, it is not permissible to accept the OTS amount. That
अरे सर जदि पैसा सब आप केते त आपनकर पैसा केते माने बाकी केते अछि?
35 lakhs,
No,
50,000.
Only on the previous date, my learned friend said that was 29 lakhs. Within
Only
10 to 12 days, it has
No, no,
increased to
29
35 lakhs.
At the time
So,
of auction,
on that date,
and February 2000.
it is only the interest amount, Lordship. Everything I have paid, my no, account statement also says that. Then 5 lakhs over and above, I have offered that.
But see,
So,
but he is saying 35 lakh.
35 lakhs now. If you Lordship may grant me 10 to 15 lakhs, I am ready to settle everything.
What I suggest, my lord, this proposal, my lord, by enhancing even if 10 lakh or 20 lakh, it is not, my lord, within the purview of the branch manager. It will go to the, my lord, head office.
Head office.
Let
Head
him
office.
submit the proposal by enhancing
I
the.
don't know,
Yes,
submit
yes,
a proposal if they
Yes.
consider.
Yes, Lordship. On that
That's
ground,
for
Your Lordship.
the petitioner to considering the facts and circumstances of the case. This could review that the petitioner should approach the branch manager of the opposite party bank.
Pardon, Lordship, not branch manager. My learned friend is saying branch manager has no jurisdiction. Head office.
College se recommend.
Journal.
Branch manager पठेबे ना
पठेबे.
the contractor branch manager of the and submit his proposal. Submit a genuine, reasonable proposal.
Reasonable. Yes.
Reasonable proposal. And the bank shall consider in accordance with law. Should I dispose it of?
Yes, Lordship. Oh.
खाली सेत्ती की लेखो अधिका किसी लेखो unnecessary it will get problem.
Obliged, Lordship.
Next.
For so many days, we have taken a Lordship's time.
No problem. Sometimes if problem solves, that's you're happy. Hopefully it will solve. You should take some. You use your good office for solving the problem. Just talk to them. Yes, if it is possible, let's fix.
Obliged.
I want to go to step आपको जानते हो ठीक है खत्म करो. Next.
18.
May I please? Flood 3 years, 7 months in custody.
3 years, 7 months in custody. कौन कौन से?
Ganja, my lord.
कितने?
That case, my lord.
कितने?
775 kg. The petitioner is a driver.
Driver.
Yes.
From
Andhra, my lord.
Last occasion, Lords, we directed the health college.
ଆପଣ कहाँ पे की?
NCV.
NCV. कौन करेगा कौन तू?
HIV patient.
patient ବୋଲି କହିଥିଲେ ସେ ଆପଣ report
HIV ଆଣିଲେ କିଛି ରିପୋର୍ଟ?
ଗୋଟେ ଆସିଛି
ରିପୋର୍ଟ କଣ ଆସିଛି?
ଆଜି ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଚିଠିଟେ ଆସିଛି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
ହେଲ୍ଥ କଣ୍ଡିସନ କଣ ଅଛି କଣ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଥିଲେ।
ठीक है, इसका हेल्थ कंडीशन के कंसिडरिंग हिज हेल्थ कंडीशन वी शुड रिलीज हिम. He regularly is under constant treatment. Again, his age is kete age है छी?
Moment 46.
46 years.
26.
46.
46.
Witnesses have been examined out of 7 months. 75 kg.
Advanced age कौन में लिखी चीज़ है? ये वो report है. 26 year is not advanced age.
46.
Even 46 year
It
is
is
not
not
advanced
advanced.
age, sir.
No, madam.
ମୁଁ ତ ଏଇ advanced age କୁ ଦେଖିକି ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି old ଲୋକଟା ଭାବି ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ 26. ଏମିତି କିଛି ଖାସ୍ ତା ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ନାହିଁ. ସାଧା ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଜିନିଷ ହୁଏ ଯେମିତି HIV patient କୁ ହୁଏ. They are taking care. I was in the impression कि advanced age ମାନେ age बहुत ହେଇଗଲାଣି. You enjoy your jail status.
3 years or more than.
So what? Crime कला वाले पचारथिले जो कोर्ट को. आंध्र प्रदेश का है भाई. Once you go, after that
775 kg.
My submission is, my lord, he furnished the, my lord, surety, blood related surety, my lord. Any terms and condition. Any terms and condition.
No, no.
He's a HIV patient, any terms and
अरे
condition.
HIV patient किसी नहीं तार problem.
Again,
HIV patient.
regularly treated in
That is also
the.
your person.
Treatment no होता नहीं.
I have 3 years, 7 months in custody, my lord.
की कौन करो?
And till that, man, Ravi Prakash and other decisions are there, my lord.
कौन लिखा है जिसे decision रहता?
Prolonged incarceration.
Decision आधा पढ़ेगी decision देखो. देखो decision देख ली.
Again, because it.
पढ़ो decision.
Again.
कौन लगा जी?
Under Article 2, I am the relevant person, my lord, replacing the relevant. Fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 21 of
अरे
the
सर
Constitution.
रुकंदु Article 21 देखिले आपण जो गांजा देखिरे एते लोकंगर Article 21 बर्बाद कले जे सेटा किछि.
My lord, he is the poor driver, my
अरे
lord.
poor
The
driver.
owner is, my lord, also present. He is also in custody, my lord.
Owner in custody.
Yes, my
He
lord.
is the poor driver.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Except that, my lord, admitted.
Quantity भी कम नहीं. कितने?
Yes, my lord.
700 kilo.
My lord,
775.
my lord, here is a case, my lord. In 180 bags of onion bags, so 30 kgs, 30 bags of.
बिना knowledge driver रे ही जे कि सब.
My lord, that may be, my lord, this one onion bag.
Sorry.
Let it, my lord, only one prayer, man. 5 times I have prayed before this honorable court.
5 to 6, 8, 9, 10 कितने time आज मूवी जाननी.
My lord is liberally granting everyone.
I am
prayer.
liberally granting, but I am not liberally granting. I don't like you.
Oh, sorry. Okay, okay, my lord. Okay.
Not you.
No, no.
Your
Okay.
client. You have taken so seriously. Oh my God.
नहीं client तो
You have so much ego.
आपको कोई नहीं client.
I said something else.
My lord,
Because you are out of the state. That's why I am saying. Not you माने कौन? निजे को कौन नहीं चुकी हो? तब निजे तो जाइए गंजा तब NC वाला अंगर आदत तांगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जहाँ की ना पड़ी.
May I please, Your Lordship? Well, in this case,
In this case, 302 is there, CD is required.
अरे CD टा आरो थोड़ा थिला.
Nine.
आरो थोड़ा थिला. The
Nine.
subject to Your Lordship's permission, I only would like to submit 2 things.
What is your rule?
My lord, my case is based on circumstantial evidence. Custody for more than around 4 years. Or 3 days left to complete 4 years, Your Lordship.
Oh.
Co-accused person.
केमती कौन केमती
My lord, as per the prosecution allegation, my lord, in order to steal a truck, Your Lordship, my lord, 4 person in connivance with the present petitioner has stolen the truck. Truck, Your Lordship.
Truck stolen. Wow. कम साहस तो
Well, a kind of robbery, Your Lordship.
हाँ robbery kind of robbery तो kind of कौन और kind of किसी ने
Well, out of all those accused persons apprehended, case is based on circumstantial evidence. On the basis on that microchip fitted in the truck, Your Lordship, subsequently the truck was recovered.
अच्छा ये गाड़ी में समस्त lesson learn समस्त गाड़ी रे microchip लगा दी लुचे के लगा दी तो जोड़े तो जाना पड़ेगा Google मैप देखियो good thing truck वाला कड़ी चला के बढ़िया good
In 4-wheeler now it is coming out.
automatic
Inbuilt.
अच्छा that's very good then.
Excellent.
Okay.
And
तापरे
subsequently, the dead body was recovered from a different place, not at the instance of any of the accused persons, including the petitioner. Nothing recovered, your lordship. Subsequently, being arrested, basing on the confessional statement, my lord, the petitioner was arrested. And similarly situated person has been granted bail by this honorable court. I have annexed all those documents, your lordship.
I've granted.
And
Your
your lordship was pleased to grant. Page 13, your lordship.
Page 13.
Page 13. Page 14 रे जो co-accused person रो भी bail order टा reflect हीची, your lordship. 4 years in custody, 3 days to left to complete the.
ठीक है, granted. ये सब दे दे. Out लिख दो सब बाकी. Give a note. Why don't you give a note? Note नजला देवी.
From the next case onwards, I will be.
Give it.
Definitely.
सम्मा तक note दिया. Note दला easy. Unnecessary kind of petition whatever. Some clumsy, some crowdy, some unnecessary things are put. से कथा 13 4 थर लिखाई दो. Unnecessary. अधिका लेखिले अधिका पैसा मिलेगी. And I don't think they are impressed. But court is not impressed with that. Next.
20.
Let's come up for audits, my lords. In view of changed law, my lords, I don't have any case. Here my ground of
You don't have any case?
Yes.
Yeah, you admit that.
Because Mukunda Devangan case, your lordship knows 2017 Supreme Court says that a person holding a LMB license can't drive a transport vehicle if the gross vehicle weight is below 7,500. He was driving a 3-wheeler passenger carrying commercial vehicle.
Commercial vehicle.
But he was at that time he was holding an Annexure 3. He was holding a license to drive non-transport vehicle.
Non-transport.
Non-transport. But in view of that recent observation of the Honorable Apex Court on 22nd November 23, that till the reference is decided by the Honorable Apex Court, the original decision of 2017 will govern the field.
So there is nothing there. Say judgment.
No, after lunch, your lordship, I'll give that.
छोटा नोट दे देंगे. छोटा नोट. कौन original decision
Along with the decisions, I'll give.
17. Next.
17 for admission, your lordship.
18.
No, 17 for admission, your lordship. Order set it.
18. Next.
22.
22.
I may be pardoned, your lordship. The conducting counsel, Mr. Debashish Sarang, is not well today, so I'm praying for an adjournment.
I may be pardoned. I can request you can argue the matter. I may also be pardoned. You should argue the matter.
Your lordship, he personally requested me.
Personally? You are not his junior?
No, your lordship.
Okay. ठीक है. 6th February.
Published.
23rd. 23. Non-appears. ये देख लो कौन है यार स्थिति. कितने सारे अर्जन है जी. Last order. नहीं.
Condonation delay application file करना है.
हाँ?
Condonation delay application
file करनी. सेतेवडू 16 रू.
165 pages.
Defect may be removed within. Let the defect removed within 1 week from today, failing which the criminal revision application shall stand dismissed without reference to the court. Next.
Item 24.
24. এটা भी शेयर कर दे. ये भी शेयर कर दो. तो defect remove करना है. Defect be removed within 1 week, failing which the matter shall automatically stand cancelled. Criminal revision stand dismissed without reference to the court. Next.
25.
Same order. 26. Same order.
26.
Same order. 27.
27.
Same order. 28. Same order.
28.
Infractures, very good. Infractures like that. Dismissed. 29.
29 withdraw.
Withdraw. 30.
Item 30.
Should I pray for another adjournment on behalf of Mr. Sambit Patnaik? Is the main conducting council.
Like a defect be removed within 1 week from today, failing which same order area. Next.
31.
That किसी दबा नहीं है ना? That दला that's a rest दबा.
31.
31. 31. Same order. 32.
May I please your lordship, man.
Defect.
1 CC case has been filed against the present.
Defect remove के नहीं. Defect अगर remove करन तो तापर 1cc का था कहीं. Defect अगर remove करन तो.
Hello.
Plant council with the petitioner to remove the defects within 1 week. 33.
33.
Same order. Defect be removed within 1 week, failing which it stands, it shall be stand, it will stand dismissed without reference to the court. Next.
34.
My lord, 34. Defect is the, I'll have to obtain the judgment of the lower court.
No, let me just clarify
I
34.
am just simply saying nothing doing, sir. Defect be removed
Ma'am,
within.
34 was for hearing.
ठीक है, sir.
Ma'am, may I just humbly clarify?
Defect देखो जी, defect
Gote apna permission gote noche, gote just development. This is a 138 case which was earlier had. My friend is possibly not updated with the instruction. In the sense, he is for the accused appellant. Today I have taken instruction in the morning. Good sense has prevailed and the accused wants to pay some amount which will possibly a settlable amount. I am only humbly praying your lordship may fix a date after 15 days so that by then parties will come up with a settlement project. That I have got instruction.
1 month.
So, no, 15 din पर रहो.
Okay, 6
my friend do not know.
6
Yes.
February.
6 February, I may not be available, my lord. I'll be.
But he always takes that plea. Let him say it's
आपने decision नेबे कितना?
8.
No, it's getting settled, your lordship.
Okay, 8 कर दो.
8 February.
8, 6, 8. Next.
35.
35. Withdraw. Okay. What is your name?
Manoranjan Mudli.
Huh?
Manoranjan Mudli.
Oh, Mr. Mudali. 6 to withdraw the petition. Next. 36.
36.
36.
May I please, your lord? My lord, the order of cognizance.
What is your condemnation delay?
Delay, my lord, 110 days.
Application ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
Application.
A.
While he was in custody, the cognizance was taken. After being released on bail.
Okay, ठीक है, आगे करो. What is the issue?
My lord, issue, my lord, in fact, it is a case of elopement, love affair. Your lordship may turn to page 33, annexure 5.
You are challenging what?
Once cognizance order to challenge.
Cognizance order.
Now, my lord, the parties are
What is the
agree
ground for
because
challenge?
she has already attained majority, the girl.
He has already, but
My lord, one certificate, no earlier revision or appeal pending before the any other court of law.
the defect.
My lord, there's a small defect.
Okay, take a defect, this ignored. The defects pointed out by the registry ignored. Next,
My lord, the petitioner is the husband and challenging the order passed by 125 CRPC proceeding in CM number 10 of 2019 and thereby directing the petitioner to pay monthly maintenance of rupees 5,000 to
So
opposite
basically,
number 1.
JMF. Then appeal ना करी इसलिए कितनी पड़ेगी?
Again, this is the concurrent jurisdiction.
किसने बोल दिया? appeal पूरे forum पे कहीं छाड़ी गई ऐसी बैठी?
My lord.
appeal provision अच्छी ना? Why did you one appeal file appeal?
There is my lord.
Don't lose a forum. Why are you losing the forum?
That passed by JMFC Hinjil Cut.
हाँ तब पर अपन ADJ पर कुछ बात था.
Again, the pandemic situation asla 2019 order
very-
and the petitioner suffer in various diseases, my lord.
Since there is an appeal provision, petitioner should approach to the appellate court. And the appellate court shall condone the delay if any. And decide the matter within 3 months from the date of filing of the appeal. Hello?
My lord, one execution proceeding also initiate.
Execution भी ହେଇଗଲାଣି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏ ଲୋକ ଉଠି ପାରୁନି ଚାଲି ପାରୁନି
Execution IFL କରିଛି?
ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା କରୁନି ପଛରେ ଫାଇଲିଂ ପରେ ଜାଣିଲି ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁସନ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ଇନିସିଏଟ୍
IFL file କରିଛି? If any execution proceedings state till
My
the
lord, obliged.
decision. If any execution proceedings is has been filed. That is not to be given effect to till the disposal of this. Hala? Next.
Item 38.
38. Non-APS. Non-APS. On call on 4/1/2024. Today also, nobody appears in court. So there is not a possibility. This is for non-prosecution. However, the result of the 30 days later. Next.
39.
I think it's the order.
I'm for the opposite party.
Order 2004.
Yes.
It was filed by Justice I. Mohanty. Citizen orchestra.
The opposite party dismissal order was challenged before the appellate authority, then revisional authority that was confirmed. Against that order, the writ application has been required.
What is the order?
Dismiss from service.
Huh?
Dismissal from service.
Dismissal from service.
CISA person.
CISA.
Yes.
CISA. कितने number की ना?
Item 39.
Oh, 39. मैं आगे तो लिख दी.
39. I agree with last.
Who is for the opposite party?
Earlier, Mr. Vijay Patnaik was appearing.
Now who is appearing?
No, I contacted him. He's told that actually the brief has been transferred from him.
एबे की अच्छी देखो ना.
A9 appear करना.
appear करे बड़े ना इन्होंने इंडिया को कॉपी दे दो.
इन्होंने पे नाम पे.
Oh,
I'm for the opposite party. I've said.
Oh, sorry. I thought here. Who is for appearing for the petitioner? No. Oh, very well. कितने दिन में कर लो. यार कितने last like it's like a movie.
Last till 8th. 7th till last.
Last also on 2 dates.
4 एकड़ थला पड़ला नहीं 5 एकड़ पड़ला
8/1/24 and
5/1
4/1/24
4/1/24 non-APS on disputed today also nobody appears it's in the proceeding that going to discuss on next
well my appearance
लिखा अपना नाम दे दो
अच्छी तरह आगे
so ज्ञानलोक
मोहंती
next
item 40
এটা কি দেখো দেখো ফটাফট দেখো না জলদি
non appearance
last non appears today also non appears on 8 to 2024 non appears today also no appears it's in the prison not in person going to discuss okay same order next
41
no instruction from the client
huh no instruction it's in the petition not withdraw please transfer the petition our na
kindly grant the liberty to file that
even that is there without sick next
42
42 ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ opposite party
non appearance
non appears on projected call
8/1/24
8/1/24 today also nowadays it's the petition next
43
I am for the opposite party again এটা কোন দেখলো last one
non appearance
then 8/1 right
huh yeah
8/1
I'm for OP number 2.
43
OP number.
ना लगे Mr. Das Aditya Das Mr.
pardon to mention
however
I don't 42 my name is reflected DR Mahaprata CGC
लगा जी सर
Dismiss it for default or?
he has been not appearing for the last 2-3 occasions. He has not, nobody is appearing. So
Okay.
I have dismissed for non-prosecution. However, master time. Mitra didi kariye. Next.
44
Jadi ke thibe marse mitra jodi file kariye, it can be revived. Next.
it will be same
Same for the similar. See that data.
8-1, no, 4-1.
8-1?
8-1, 4-1.
8-1, 4-1. Non-appeal.
2-1, 2-1. sorry.
8-1 and 2-1. 8-1, 2-1 की नहीं अच्छा 2-1, 8-1.
2-1.
2-1, 8-1. Next.
45.
45. 45. Revision दी. देख लो.
No, no, sir.
I am part of
8-1.
8-1 non-appeal. Today non-appeal. Hello. Cancel selection. Opposite party. Here for opposite party number?
All the opposite party.
All opposite party.
They're
All
all.
opposite party. Next.
46.
46.
May it please your worship. Well, I have on earlier occasion,
You are for the
I am for the petition.
petition.
On the earlier occasion, on 14/4/2014, I filed an executive note, my lord. I want to place that particular note, my lord.
Yeah, please.
Pardon, my lord.
Please.
No, found out from the record, my lord. So that, achhi sir.
Yes, I have.
Huh.
I've got it. You please.
And before I begin it, my lord, I pray for lordship ignorance. Kindly grant me 15 minutes time. It's a hard case, my lord. So I will explain it by placing my written note, my lord. May I place my written note, my lord?
What is the issue? Tell me in two
Right.
lines first. After then we'll go to the written note.
Obliged.
कौन issue टा टिके कौन जो short
Right,
short.
कहू विषय काढ़ी रखी पहला. The petitioner was a bank manager and a disciplinary proceeding was initiated just fag end of his career before his retirement. And after his retirement, punishment has been imposed upon him. And
Who is
without
for the bank? Anybody appearing?
Yes.
Yeah, for the bank. Okay. Take. Yes, please.
So before the retirement, it is an initiated. After retirement, punishment has been imposed upon him, and around little more than 2,50,000 rupees has been recovered from his savings bank account without any notice to him. So sum total, my allegation here is that the charge has been framed illegally because somebody else has done the mistake and charge has been framed upon me. Though initially notice has been issued to both the persons, he has been ignored. He has got some, without beyond record matter, he has got some string at the higher level, and immediately after the occasion, he has been transferred to the head office. And after disposal of my appeal only, his charge sheet has been initiated, and he has been exonerated by giving a small punishment of 1 increment without cumulative effect.
The other person.
As per me, who is the main accused person who has done the mistake. So my sole allegation here is in this application is a charge has been framed illegally, was inquired by an irregular proceeding with irregularities, wherein petitioner was illegally found guilty without committing any misconduct. Highly excessive and disproportionate penalty was imposed upon him, that too by discriminating with the real offender co-accused, keeping disposal of the appeal, confirming the penalty, and recovery of penalty in an illegal manner, making the whole process null and void.
Number.
So these are the grounds I have taken. I am reading it from page 10 of my note. Sum total, these are the grounds. But the background, because it is required, it is my honor duty to explain the banking procedure where my default lies. Therefore, before that, I have to explain that entire banking scenario. May I place the note, my lord? Immediate facts. Petitioner on transfer joined as manager in Central Bank of India, Cuttack branch on 4/8/2006 and was superannuated on 30/4/2009. By another one office order dated 24/10/2006, petitioner was assigned following duties. Yet, well, this is important, my lord. Central card, ME payment, OBC and BP, many of the abbreviations, I'm sorry,
Sir, I am aware, don't worry, you go ahead. Go ahead with that.
Extremely obliged, my lord. Locker, pension, cash management, etc. And here, you may lordship accept it as I concede that overall office management, which has got some bearing on the allegation, my lord. I do concede. Overall office management. No other duty charge has ever been produced by the opposite party. That is para 6, my writ application.
the duties of DD specimen signature verification, the allegation is my lord. I'm sorry, I've got two bank drafts. One is 2.5 lakh, another little more than 2.5 lakhs. Fourth drafts have been encashed from the bank. That is the allegation, my lord.
The draft is drawn on whom?
Draft is some another company. Some company, somebody has presented it for encashment of the draft.
Then how, if that company should have got it, na? How you have
A
taken it?
particular bank has.
Sir, a company comes with a draft, wants to encash, right?
Yes, my lord.
So once a person comes, you have to encash, you give the cash to him.
But that.
Or you have to deposit in his account.
Right? Because it is a company, it has to be deposited in his account, no cash to be delivered.
Sometimes it happens also. The company also might,
But
require
here the
cash, they might take them.
Here the allegation is that without checking the fraud draft, the payment has been made. That is the allegation, and bank has sustained a loss.
Okay.
Am I clear, man?
Okay.
Then the duties of DD specimen signature verification charge was entrusted to one assistant manager, Sri K.C. Jena, and after his superannuation, the said charge was entrusted to another assistant manager, Sri Sandeep Saha, para 7 of the writ application.
Okay.
On 8/7/2008, Sri Saha was on leave, and then the branch manager verbally requested the petitioner to discharge the duties of the DD specimen signature verification along with his own duties.
So basically you are saying it is not my, I have not committed something fraudulently.
Yes.
Rather it is a genuine mistake while checking the signature, they might have escaped your attention. If you
No,
not
no,
have
no, no, no,
detected.
that is
That is what you are
not
saying.
Peculiarly, my lord, while the subsequently the charge sheet has been taken up against the other co-accused persons.
Sir, you are focusing more on the other co-accused
No, no,
person. Focus on yours.
Yes, yes,
that I understand. I am saying, since you are the verifier, signature verification charge was with you. So when you have just verified that the signature might have wrongly verified, might have escaped your attention while doing that. That's why that mistake might have committed. That's what you have to say.
I took no note of your lordship's observation.
Sir, I am in your favor, I am saying.
I am obliged, man. But one thing.
Is it
further-
so? Is
One
it
thing,
so?
one thing further, my lord, one step ahead, my lord. I am obliged to your lordship's observation. But here, my lord.
This is not my observation. This is I am trying to clarify myself.
Right,
Here, here.
right, my lord, right, my lord. This is other, while the other co-accused person has been charged, it has been found out. The signature tallies, no mistake has been committed. That's what I want to draw your attention. Signature tallies. There is no mistake because that has been found out.
Whose signature tallies?
The signature of the issuing branch is tallied with the album having this all the signature of the issuing branch.
I didn't get, sir. Signature of the issuing branch mean what?
ये draft issue करथिला.
So draft issue करथिला, से draft officer तार signature हैला fine. तापरे
एटा जदि genuine draft हबो तार गोटे album थाए सब जगह specimen signature थाई किरी. तासे मते match करिवो signature match.
That's fine.
I have done the owner's duty that yes signature matched.
Okay.
They say that I have done fraudulently. But
Okay.
subsequently for other accused they found that signature matched.
Okay.
1.4. On and around 8/7/2000, one assistant manager, Sri G.P. Maurya, this is a co-accused, was entrusted with the duties of authorization of payment, passing of DD for payment, para 9. Paragraph 14 of the counter update contains a statement that the authorization of payment was made by another officer, not by me, on the basis of clearance of the DDs by the petitioner having verified the signatures. That's admitted. On 8/7/2008, petitioner verified 55 DDs with specimen signature album, including 2 DDs in the name of the Rubel Board Center, 2,95,000 and 2,50,000, both 5,45,000, which were alleged to be fake bills. By another 2 officers dated 8/2008, wrongly typed in the read petition as 18/4/2008.
Come to the charges. Come to the charges.
My lord, I beg your lordship pardon, my lord.
Sir, आपन नोट रे जिबा ठीक अछि ता संगे से मु देखिया के चाहिए देखबिन आपन नोट हिसाब रे खाली देउ तुमी
Right.
चार्जेस टिक देखले
Data I can never vouch by.
हां चार्जेस टिक देखन तो
Yes.
को पेज रे छै कहले
कार्ड कार्ड छै गोटे लाइन पे आस्ते छै.
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଥିବେ ନା ପେଜ ଦେଇନଥିବେ କି?
ହଁ ଦେଖିଲି।
ତ ସେ କୋଉ ପେଜରେ ଥିବ ନା? ନୋଟ୍ ବନେଇଲେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, ନୋଟ୍ ବନେଇବାରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛି, ନୋଟ୍ ବନେଇଲେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଯୋଉ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ନେଇଥିବେ ତାର ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୋଉଠି ସେଟା ଅଛି ପେଜ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ, ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ତାର ଖୋଜିବାର ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହଉଛି? ସେଠି ଲେଖିଦେଇଥିଲେ ଇଜି। ଆଟ୍ ପେଜ ସୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସୋ, ଧରନ୍ତୁ 10 ରୁ 15 ପେଜ ସେ ଚାର୍ଜେସଟା ଅଛି, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉଟା ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ପେଜ 12 ରେ ଅଛି, at 12 କରିଦେବେ, 10 to 15 at 12, easy.
Page 35. Page 35 the charge sheet.
Page 35.
You can turn, Lordship can turn to page 36, charge number 1.
Charge sheet, yes.
Sri K.L. Tripathi failed to act in due diligence and devotion and has authorized payment of following fake demand drafts, exposing bank to loss of so and so. I draw your Lordship kind attention, kindly note, has authorized for payment, but subsequently I will establish for your Lordship that I have never authorized for payment. Then my
You are only authorized for verification.
Right.
Right?
Right.
Okay.
Then turn to next page. Charge number 1. That how they have explained, I am placing in that way. Page 37. Charge number 1. Mr. Tripathi, while working as manager of Cuttack branch, has authorized payment of following fake demand drafts. Reportedly.
So here the demand draft itself was fake.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
and you paid that.
Yes, ma'am.
So no, you have not paid. Somebody else has paid.
Right.
But you have clarified, you have cleared it that since you are the verifying officer, you clear the draft. That's why you are also equally responsible.
That I did never say. That's why I draw your attention to the
But draft, you compare the signature of the other person. How do you didn't find there is something wrong?
No. Subsequently, the bank also while dealing with the disciplinary proceeding against the other co-accused person, they say that it doesn't tally. It has no difference in naked eye. That's the finding of the charge sheet of the co-accused person. I place it, my lord.
Okay.
Then let me one line further.
This is basically only one charge against.
Yes, my lord. One line further at page 37. Mr. Tripathi, while working as manager at Cuttack branch, has authorized for payment of following fake demand drafts issued in Navarta Beds without obtaining confirmation of issue from the issuing branch, which is compulsory as per Central Office guideline. This I will draw your kind attention subsequently. The Central Office guideline, a chart has been given. I have discharged 3 duties entrusted to me, whereas my co-accused has not discharged 7 duties and 4 compulsory duties.
Sir, you are only focusing on your co-accused. You focus on your case.
Right,
Forget the co-accused. Co-accused is not before me.
Because, my lord, one point I have raised, the discrimination. And
that part I understand
from the very beginning.
That discrimination part I understand. Now you focus on your case.
Right,
that part I understand.
1.4. May I continue with my note, my lord?
Yes. Now you come to the note.
On and around 8781, Assistant Manager Sri G.P. Maurya was entrusted with the duties of authorization of payment, passing of DD for payment. Para 9, paragraph 14 of the counter affidavit contains a statement that the authorization of payment was made by another officer on the basis of the clearance of the DDs by the petitioner having verified his signature. Now,
But sir, one thing. Verification is very important role.
Right, I never.
The verifier has a very important role.
I never say no.
Once the verifier has cleared, the other person simply pays money.
Right, madam.
That's why they have to.
But I will draw your attention subsequently the duty chart. What are the duties entrusted to me? What are duty? That I will come.
Sir, duty chart on that particular day, you have given an extra duty. Extra duty of what? To verify the signature. So on that particular day, you are verifying the signature. That was your duty on that day. So I don't bother about the other duty chart. Maybe you have other things.
Because
here on that particular day, you are the verifier.
Yes,
that's all.
Because my lord, subsequently when I will draw the duty chart by the central office circular, that another duty is there, my lord. After verification of the signature, you have to confirm from the issuing branch. Usually what happened before core banking system came into force, they issue an advice. If you don't have the advice, you connect them over phone. Confirm, then make the payment.
You confirm that?
No, that is duty of the other officer. I have passed on the DD, 55 DDs, signature tally.
So you are saying there are so many people involved in that way.
Yes.
So you are not alone.
Yes.
That's why you are
focused. No. I am not interested. The other one is interested. It has been unnecessarily imposed upon me. DD verification I have done.
So there was another person for verification for signature.
No. A desk officer was there.
Sir,
for whom the DD was.
But I understand. Just. One draft is there. you are entrusted with the duty to verify the draft, whether it is genuine or fake, right? So in that draft, there is a
No, to
signature.
verify the signatures along with the album.
Oh, sir, sethu to jana padiba
Right,
fake.
right.
Sei to aag ko jana padiba.
Right.
So that signature has to be verified by somebody else,
No.
not by you.
No, that has been entrusted to me for verification of
Sir, sei to
signatures.
pacharuchi. Apna draft ଆଉ signature both apna verify karibe. Draft draft ର shape, size, blah blah blah, and also the signature, both correct?
No, only my duty, humble submission is that only I have been verified, entrusted of the duties of verifying the signature only. As I have stated earlier.
Signature.
See, only signature.
ତାପରେ signature ପୁଣି ସେଠି verify
ତାପାକୁ ଗଲେ
ଆପଣ କଣଟା କେମିତି verify କଲେ?
album ସହିତ
album ସାଙ୍ଗରେ album ର signature ଏଟା ଦେଖିଦେଲେ.
Right. That is only I have done.
So another person has to intimate to the
Right, matter and verify and make confirmation, then make the payment.
ठीक, okay, please go ahead.
By another person on the basis of the clearance of the duty by the petitioner having verified the signature. 1.5. On 8/7/2008, petitioner verified 55 digits with session signature album, including 2 digits in the name of Mr. Rubel Bolt, so and so, which are alleged to be fake bills. By another 2 officials dated 18/8/2008, wrongly typed in the writ application as 18/4/2008. I'm sorry for that. Both the petitioner and Sri Maurya, assistant manager, were asked to explain why confirmation from issuing branch was not obtained, and petitioner has submitted in another 3, that is at page 18, explanation dated 21/8/2008, indicating that he has only verified the special signature, found them correct.
Okay.
By another 3 officials dated 21/8/2008, petitioner was asked to explain why he authorized for payment of 2 fake DDs without obtaining confirmation of the issuing branch, and why disciplinary action should not be initiated against him. Petitioner submitted his another 5 at page 20. Explanation dated 30/10/2008, para 12 of the writ application, stating that neither
Sir,
he was
mତେ ପଢନ୍ତୁନି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଗଲି କେସଟା ଆଉ ବେଶୀ ପଢନ୍ତୁନି ଏଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସବୁ ବୁଝି ପାରୁଛି ଆଉ କଣ ଆମେ ପଢୁଛୁ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଆଉ କିଛି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ପଢିଲେ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
right.
ପଢିବାଟା ଭାରି
I'm obliged, my daughters.
yes
1.9. Here I request your lordships kindly have a glance at this particular paragraph.
ଆପଣ ପଢିବା ଆଗରେ ମୁଁ ପୋର୍ଟାଲ କଭର କରି ସାରିଲିଣି ଆପଣ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପଢନ୍ତୁନି କହୁଛି I have already
ନା,
read
ମୁଁ
that.
କହୁଛି ଯୋଉ DD 4
1.9, I know that for signature on genuine stationery, fake stationery, for signature, ये तो पढ़ी सारी अपन अलग किसी ऐसा कौन नुआ पॉइंट आउ किसी नुआ पॉइंट कौन
Here, my lord. In the entire another 7 series, the documents of all these transactions which I obtained during disciplinary proceeding,
okay,
these are the materials available where my involvement doesn't indicate.
Okay.
This may be required for banking procedure. I may be permitted to place it. Please, my lord.
Okay.
As per banking practice, all financial transactions of a branch bank are usually initiated by a voucher, instrument or document, DD is a voucher, and are serially numbered, that is called journal number, which is reflected in the voucher. A day's transaction of all such vouchers by a particular officer are reflected in the supplementary sheet or day book, along with the identification number of that officer called ID entries. ID entries of other officer, not mine.
Okay.
All such day books of the branch or bank are entered in the cash book along with the
suppose
identification number
you are entrusted with the task of verifying that ID entry won't be there.
No.
Huh?
No.
Why?
Because it has been somebody has.
Because you are doing something. Suppose on that particular day somebody was absent and you are entrusted with the task.
Yes.
So
No, what actually happened at that day on the desk there is heavy loss. So manager, the branch, the senior manager came forward and asked me help him to tally the signatures. That much I have done. I have verified.
So no ID entry.
55 DDs I have checked on that day by his verbal instruction. So officer called ID entries of all such days book or branch bag are entered into a cash book along with the identification number of the officer maintaining those days books. In core banking system,
sir, এটা ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଗଲି ଆପଣ ଆଉ କିଛି point କୁହନ୍ତୁ anything that is startling ଏଟା ତ procedure ଜିନିଷ ଏଟା ଯାଉ
ତିନିଟା ନମ୍ବର ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରଥମେ ଯାହା ପାଖରେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରାଯିବ ଗୋଟେ ନମ୍ବର ପଡିବ ଯିଏ ଡିଲ୍ କରିବ ତା ଗୋଟେ ନମ୍ବର ପଡିବ ଯିଏ ଅଲ୍ଟିମେଟଲି କ୍ୟାଶ ବୁକ୍ ରେ ଏଣ୍ଟର କରିବ ତା ଗୋଟେ ନମ୍ବର ପଡିବ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଏଣ୍ଟର କରିବ ତିନିଟା ନମ୍ବରରେ ମୋ ନମ୍ବର ନାହିଁ ମୋ ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ନାହିଁ
ଆପଣ ତ orally କହିଛି number କୋଉଟା
Right.
orally but
I
orally
got it.
orally କହିକି ଆପଣ ଯଦି କିଛି କରିବେ ଯେ number ନ ଆସିଲା ବୋଲି ଆପଣ responsibility ପଳେଇଗଲା।
Then, my lord, I will draw your lordship's attention to my writ application, page 22.
ଆପଣ note ଏଟା 22 ରେ page ରେ
ନାଇଁ, not note.
ଆପଣ note ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ brief ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଏତେ ଲମ୍ବା note କିଏ ବନେ note ସବୁବେଳେ 3 page
Agreed,
ଆପଣ
my-
ଏଟାକୁ short କରି ମତେ 3 page ରେ ଦେବେ
Agreed, my lord. I have.
ନାଇଁ agree ନାଇଁ 3 page ରେ ମତେ ଦେବେ 3 page only 3 page 3 page ର note ଏଟା note ନୁହେଁ
I have-
ଅଲଗା କିଛି
I have explained in the first hour, my
ସାର୍
lord.
ସତ କଥା କହିବି shortcut ରେ ଯେତେ ଜିନିଷ ବଢିଆ
Right. I understand.
ଯେତେ ଲମ୍ବି
My expansion is during Corona period. I was not able to handle the online handling. Therefore, I made the executive note and submitted it.
ସାର୍ ଏଟାକୁ ଆପଣ ଛୋଟ କରିଦେବେ ମତେ 3 page ରେ ଦେବେ 3 page
Okay, sir.
ହଁ ଏଟା 3 page ରେ ଆରାମସେ ଦେବି ମୁଁ ତ 2 page ରେ ସାରିଦେବି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏଥିରେ ଆପଣ ଯେତିକି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ତାର କିଛି ଇଏ ନାହିଁ ହାର୍ଡଲି ଏତେ କଥାର ମାନେ ତାକୁ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ 5-7 ମିନିଟର ଏଟା ଖେଳ ବେସିକାଲି ୟୁ ଆର୍ ନଟ୍ ମୁଁ କହିଦଉଛି ସର୍ଟ କରି କୁହନ୍ତୁ basically on that day you are told verbally orally by the officer to verify so on that day you are the verifier right
Yes,
the signature verifying person is another person from the other end this is the main case you have ଆଉ ବାକି ସେ ଖାତାରେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି
I beg your lordship, pardon, kindly turn to page 5.
ଆଉ ମୁଁ କିଛି ଟର୍ନ କରିବିନି ମିଷ୍ଟର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ଖାଲି ରିପିଟେସନ ହଉଛି ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
Only one point, my lord. What
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଗଲିଣି କେସ୍
No, one, ଏଇଟା ଖାଲି ଦେଖିଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବି।
ହଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
One point, page 5 କେ kindly ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ର page 5.
ଓକେ page 5 yes page 5
Now, if your lordship, paragraph 19, if your lordship find out, this is the central office circular to do and not to do. 1, 2, 3 has been entrusted to me, I have done it. 4 to 10, plus more important, 11 to 14 has to be done by Sri Maurya, which he has failed to discharge.
ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ନୋଟ୍ ରେ ବନେଇକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସର୍ଟ ନୋଟ୍ ରେ ବନେଇକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଓ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
What my Lord senior has
ଆପଣ ବି ସର୍ଟ କରିକି କହିବେ ହେଲା ଲମ୍ବା କରିବେ
ମୁଁ short କରିକି
ଏକଦମ ସର୍ଟ
Yeah, he was on that day, he was in charge of the DD section. That was the entrusted by the manager. 2 drafts in the name of a Rubelt Port Center deposited in the HDFC Bank, Kotak, my lord, and that HDFC Bank has sent the same to the central bank for clearance. And accordingly, my lord, the petitioner, being the in charge of DD section, he has verified the DD with specimen signature and passed the same for payment. And the assistant manager who has authorized for payment accordingly paid the.
but what he says he was definitely doing that verification thing but the signature verification whatever that is there available is specimen signature available for that person at that end that he verified but it has to be telephonically again because at that time this core banking system was not there so telephonically again verifier is somebody else again that verifier so he says I was doing this and genuinely I find that matching of the signature I did it accordingly what is his fault then
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ naked eye ରେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି signature ସମାନ
ଆଉ ସେ ଦେଖିଲା good faith ସେ କଲା
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ର ସାର୍କୁଲାର କହୁଛି ଯେ ଯୋଉ ଚେକ୍ ଗୁଡାକ 50,000 above the person who has passed the DD he has to take confirmation from the issuing branch
ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ସେୟା ଥିଲା କି ସେଟା
ହଁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲା
ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଆପଏଣ୍ଟ କରିଥିଲା ସେ ଲୋକ ବୁଝୁଥିଲା
ନା ସେଇ ବୁଝୁଥିଲେ ସେଇ ସବୁ କ୍ଲିୟର କରି ଦେଲାକୁ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି that is not the
I was standing behind. He was the desk officer in the
he
front.
has not stated the correct fact. My lord, senior has not.
he is saying he was the same person he was also verifying from that end
he has to obtain instruction from the issuing branch
that is what
whether the draft is genuine.
that is what your banking
I have find that circular in my counter.
show me that circular
That I was
ठीक है sir ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ
your lordship kindly page 18 your lordship kindly see my counter.
see my endeavor is to make you blame your blameworthiness zero but I am making attempt, so you don't have to say anything. I am with you now to so far, till I hear him.
I can say.
Once I hear him, I might change my mind also. Okay.
Your Lordship, kindly see page 18 of my counter.
Page 18. Yes.
But extra precautions to be taken.
Yes.
Your Lordship, kindly see the 4 point. Before making payment, obtain confirmation from the issuing branch, invariably in such cases where the draft amount is more than 50,000 above. Then your Lordship, kindly turn to page 23. What is the reply of my learned senior client? When the charge sheet has been issued, he has given this reply. What he reply he has given? Your Lordship, kindly page 23.
Yes. I want note the way, but note to one.
Again, paragraph 3. On 8th of July 2008, as usual, there was heavy rush of work on my sheet, and at about 12:30 p.m., I was given 55 DDs that has come in clearing for verifying the signature. Out of these, 22 DDs were above 50,000. I was required to verify the signature immediately and give the same to the concerned officer for effecting the payment. So he has to clear the payment should be made by another person. His submission is wrong, my lord. For payment after due verification, because of the short time available before the return clearing to be attended by the concerned CTO, I have to proceed with the verification of signature. This is that on this ground he has replied this, my lord, to the charge sheet. So, my lord, in the disciplinary proceeding, the concerned officer, because of the fact that it is a public money and the bank has exposed to loss of 5 lakhs and some odd rupees. So the bank has punished him for payment of 2 lakhs and some odd rupees, 50%, my lord. Another 50% is that of payment.
I don't think that person has knowingly would have done it.
My lord. No, knowing
maybe escaped his attention.
Signature to the naked eye signature to the past. Confirmation from the issue. Amuri bank draft, sir. जो ड्राफ्ट इश्यू है जेटा फ्रॉम आमर बैंक से जो इश्यूइंग ब्रांच है तारो कन्फर्मेशन नवा कथा ही हैज नॉट टेकन दैट कंसेंट फ्रॉम द इश्यूइंग ब्रांच यदि इश्यूइंग ब्रांच से कन्फर्मेशन नहीं थाते धरा पड़ी था एटा चेक ता फॉर्ज्ड बोली सो दिस इज द ओनली ग्राउंड
from this can you prove that a person has defrauded the bank? I don't think. Maybe a genuine maybe a not negligence. Sometimes he in the way. आपण कला बड़े बेले बड़े बहुत रस रे करथबो केते बड़े हटा दिए माने जस्ट आवर ह्यूमन बीइंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग कोन होय बेसिक काम डिटेल में भूल भाल भी ही जाए बेले बड़े एमबी आपण जस्ट दुइटा वेरीफाई कला से एते फास्ट एते लोक भिड़ थिबे देखितबा ओके
नहीं सिग्नेचर सर सेटा योर लॉर्डशिप जो 100% करेक्ट सो फार द वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ सिग्नेचर इज कंसर्न बट द बैंक सर्कुलर सेज द इफ द ड्राफ्ट इज मोर देन 50,000 he has to take consent from the issuing branch and he has not done that and in the reply he has admitted
that is the negligence on your part.
Yes, he has admitted in his reply that he has not taken the consent from the issuing
had that part not attached to this.
Yes,
in my reply I have said that it has not been done. I have never said that I have to do it. I have not done.
Sir, when you are sitting and the charge is given to you, should have done it. You have not done it, sir.
If I am on the DD department,
on that particular day, banker, the branch manager has assigned it to the duty. And when that duty is assigned to you, you are supposed to have confirmed. Only confirmation has not been done.
I beg your pardon, on duty is only to verify the signature.
No.
Because
এটা আপন নিজে লেখিছন্তি এটা কারণ আপন কাউন্টার দেখন্তু আপন যেটা শুট কলা কই গলে যেটা এটা শুট ন কলা কইলেনি
it should have been confirmed. It has not been confirmed.
Sir, public money, sir. সেটা আমি দেখি
I agree, my lord.
Then you have written what you have written. See this.
But my
Come, you yourself has written.
Yes, my lord.
Then
23, I have what I have stated. It should have been done. And one thing further, my lord friend said that I was in the DD department charge. In Annex 7 sees all the transactions documents which I have obtained during this proceeding. Not a single document bears my signature or my number.
आपण निजे एडमिट क्वेश्चन बरा 55 DD.
So I was not in the DD in charge. I was not the sole.
Okay, give me note both sides. Give me note. Order is next. अब by Monday Tuesday दे देंगे. Note by
Madam-
Tuesday.
Madam,
Tuesday.
because by poor
Sir,
health, poor health.
ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଏଇଟା 7-8 ପେଜ ସେ 18
Agreed,
ପେଜ
agreed, madam.
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି 18 ପେଜ କୁ 3 ପେଜ ରେ ଦେବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା କରିଦେଇଛି ଟିକେ ଅଧିକା time because of my poor health.
ଆପଣ ବଢିଆ ଫିଟଫାଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି କଣ କିଛି ଏ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଡାକିଦେବେ ଫଟଫଟ ହେଇଯିବ 2 ମିନିଟରେ ଆପଣ ତ ଛୁଟି ମିଳୁଛି 2 ଦିନ କୋର୍ଟ ଆସିବାର ନାହିଁ ଆରାମସେ ଘରେ ବସିକି ଲେଖିଦେବେ ଓକେ ଠିକ है बाय 17 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା बाय 17 17 ଲଗାଅ ନୋଟ ଦେବେ 17 ଆଉ ଥରେ ଲଗାଉଛି both party will give the note 17 ଆଉ କିଛି ହେବନି କେବଳ ନୋଟ ଦେବେ ହେଲା next
Item 47.
47 both parties should give 3 page maximum 3 page note 3 to 4 9 next
Item 47, Lordship, on behalf of Mithali Justi, may I kindly adjourn this matter.
এটা পরে 2010 র ম্যাটার ম্যাডাম
Lordship, the petitioner was,
notice भी issue है
নোটিস ইস্যু হয়নি
earlier
ডিফেক্ট কিউর ন কলে নোটিস কিন্তু ইস্যু হবো
Notice check.
না না যাইছি
charged but insufficient ହେଇକି return.
ଆଉ ଥରେ নোটিস ইস্যু করে দিচ্ছি ফ্রেশ নোটিস ইজ ইস্যু টু দ্য অপোজিট পার্টি সে অপোজিট পার্টি সেটি থিব কি নথিব আই ডোন্ট নো বাট অপোজিট পার্টি
2 to 6
রিটার্নেবল অন 13 ହେଲା next
48.
48 non appears कौन से देख लो here appears not like this one week time is granted for clearing the defects if the defects are not cleared within the said time next
already notice issue है
Notice issue is.
your lordship kindly see
ये तो आसु ना दी थे
22 April 2011 order
defects कब में लिखा है जी
Effect of
defects
Defect खाली है
ये देख
एजी को
हाँ
एजी को
ये छोटे डिफेक्ट कर दी हाँ गुड टाइम दे हाउ डू चांस दे इशू नोटिस कर देते इशू नोटिस टू द अपोजिट पार्टी इशू है जी नहीं
Notice एजी को तो एडी पे दिन.
तो हाथ रे लिखा है जी हाँ बोल नो वन appears for the petitioner at the time of call फिर
your lordship kindly see 22 April 2011 order
on the petitioner deposited 50% of the ଦେଇନି ପଇସା ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ଏଟା କଣ୍ଡିସନାଲ ଅର୍ଡର ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି on the petitioner depositing 50% of the amount as directed by the director consumer judicial forum Sundargarh in the case of CC number so Sundargarh within 10 days notice to the sole opposite party may be issued repeat है नहीं the
your lordship is dismissing
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଏତେ ଏଇ ଅର୍ଡର ଆଉ କେବେ ହବ already it goes ସେ 50% ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି next
49.
49 my lord kindly pass over Mr. Naik will appear
ଏ କଣ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି 2011 ର କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ କଣ ଅଛି
ଅଛି
କଣ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ
contempt Mr. Naik will argue
Who you are
kindly be
I'm
passed
on opposite party number 3,
କିଏ
the liquidator.
ଏଇଟା କି କେସ୍ କି ଲିକ୍ୱିଡେଟର ଅଛି ଏଠି
the cooperative society
ଇଭେନ୍ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପର ନାଁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କିଏ ଅଲଗା ଥିବ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଯିଏ ଅଛି ତା ନାଁ ଦେବେ ନା
let it be taken up after lunch
But change the name of the
I
contender.
have informed the counsel of the petitioner he is not there
Petitioner is not there.
not there he will come after lunch
ठीक pass over next
Item 50.
50
my lord state is the petitioner here
why
state has challenged the order of the district consumer recreational forum of Rayagada where the district recreational forum has directed Rayagada has directed the commissioner of police Bhubaneswar to initiate a criminal proceeding against private opposite party number 1 and 2 and also to take action against their person who has not
taken cognizance against opposite party number 1 and 2.
For what? What is the ground?
Well, the ground is that opposite party number 3. The complainant has filed a complaint that the opposite party number 1 and 2 has taken 7,10,000 for issuance of share.
Is a company?
And
Who is
they are not the company, they are the
broker?
agent. Milo.
Broker.
Broker.
Share broker. He has taken the money.
Taken the money
And didn't deliver the share.
He didn't deliver the share. And ultimately, the district consumer forum held that he has to pay that along with 12% of interest. But irrespective of that order, he has directed the commissioner of police without any FIR or without any written complaint from the complainant. He has directed the commissioner of police
without issuing notice to that person. Notice was not issued to that person. I guess the
complainant
broker.
1, 2 समस्त notice है. Kintu whether the direction is needed and whether it is within the jurisdiction of the district consumer forum. And also the direction given to the petitioner to initiate action against the police personnel who was not taken cognizance is beyond the
wrong. Too much. Crossing the limit.
That's why it has been challenged.
So notice has been issued.
Notice has been issued. So far as the opposite party number 4, which is the limited company.
Anybody appearing from that?
I have filed a miscase bearing number 21855 of 2017 for amending the address of the opposite party number 4.
Amend it.
My lord. Your lordship may allow.
You filed, okay. The amending application for
21855 of 2017.
I number.
Miscase number.
Miscase number, sorry. So you just send a fresh
notice to send to opposite party.
You press notice to the opposite party by speed post.
OP4.
OP4 by speed post. This is the matter. 7th. Next.
7th of February.
Little bit late.
ठीक है
12.
My lord.
51.
51.
Today morning I got the list. I am not prepared, madam.
So you want to prepare? When do you want? Next month? Next month?
ଗୋଟେ week they will probably.
29th.
29. And the entry model is there, that can continue.
Entry model continue. Next. 52.
No, I have another prayer.
Which one?
Item number 7879. It is against the railway matter. So Lordship kindly adjourn because after recess I have some personal.
70 71. 70 71.
78 79 man.
78 79.
I will inform the DSC man.
Okay. ଜଣେଇ ଦେବି ତାଙ୍କୁ ନହେଲେ ସେମାନେ ଆସିକି ବସନ୍ତିନି ସେମାନେ ଚିନ୍ତା 783 ଥାନ୍ତି ଘରୁ କରନ୍ତି. Okay, no problem. Fixing it to 12 February. Next. 50.
Item 53.
53.
53, I am for opposite party number 2. OP1 had filed a counter.
53.
My lord.
So you have
For OP number 1.
going to take time?
Lordship, no, Lordship. We have already settled the claims. OP, the petitioner here was the wife of the deceased. Deceased took a life insurance policy wherein the brother, OP number 2, wherein the brother, OP number 2 was stated to be the nominee. So Lordship, as per the insurance, we have settled the claim in favor of the brother. Now the petitioner has come before your Lordship in a writ petition for their inter-se family dispute. Lordship, this is not maintainable.
Who is the petitioner? Petitioner who is he?
Wife of the deceased.
The wife ଆସିବନି? Our brother को दे देले बस wife को
ଆମେ ତ nominee ଯେ ତାକୁ ହିଁ ଦେଇପାରିବୁ ଆଉ ତ
He has already married.
Rightly ଆସିଛି.
Lordship, may kindly see the insurance policy itself.
Has already married elsewhere.
Brother କିଛି ଟଙ୍କାଟେ ନେଇ ପାରିବନି ସେ wife କୁ ସବୁ ପାଇବ. Brother ଆପଣ dependent brother? ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କ family ଅଛି? Not got anything. Brother shall not get it. ତା wife को सब देବେ.
Annex 3 is the policy, Lordship.
अरे सर policy छाड़ନ୍ତୁ ना. Nominee is only a caretaker. Only a caretaker. If he is, of course, wife ହେଇଥିବ କି that's fine. Class 1 ଯଦି ହେଇଥିବ. ଏଟା ତ brother is not a class 1 here. ତ ବ୍ରଦର ପଇସା ଦେବ ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ବ୍ରଦରକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ପଇସା ତା ୱାଇଫକୁ ଦେବା କଥା ନା ଆଉ ଆପଣ ମାଗିଥାନ୍ତେ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ସବୁ ମାଗିଥାନ୍ତେ ତାପରେ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବ୍ରଦରକୁ ଫଟକିନା
ଲାଇଫ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ପଲିସି
ସାର୍ ଯାଉ ଯୋଉ ପଲିସି ହେଲେ ବି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ସେ ଲୋକଟା ନାହିଁ ଦେଖିବେନି ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର କିଏ ଅଛି କିଏ ଦେଖିବେନି ନମିନେସନ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ବି ଦେଖାଯାଏ କାହିଁକି ତାର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିଟେ ଥିବ ତାର ଛୋଟ ପିଲା ଥିବ ତାର ୱାଇଫ ଥିବ ସେମାନେ ପାଇବେନି ଏନିବଡି appearing for the petitioner not ଆପଣ ଅଲରେଡି ଦେଇ ସାରିଲେଣି
Acha, this has been settled before filing of this writ petition.
ଆପଣ ବ୍ରଦର ପାଇଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ସେ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଆସିଥିଲା
62,000
ହେଲା ଆପଣ ସେ ୱାଇଫକୁ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Sir, କଣ ତା status? I have not the brief now.
ସବୁ ପଇସା ତାକୁ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
I have not the brief now.
62,000
Mr.
ନେଇକି କଣ
P.K.
କରିବ?
Das will come and appear.
କାମରେ ଆସିବ
But brief nahi ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ.
ହୁଁ
Now I don't have the brief. Mr. Let him file the counter.
ସିଏ ତ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ବାଲା ସିଏ କଣ କହିବେ
Counter ର copy ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
କାଉଣ୍ଟର କପିଟା ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Acha, well, sir.
you should give to the petitioner ପାଇଁ କିଏ appear କରୁଛି
Acha, petition by learned senior Mr.
କିଏ କରୁଛି ସୌମ୍ୟ ଦେବ ରାୟ କିଏ PS ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ
Acha. Mr. Soumya Dev Roy.
କିଏ ନାହାନ୍ତି just can you just contact him and tell him I'm fixing another date
Acha.
24th ରେ ହଁ please inform him
Acha.
24th ରେ ରଖା ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି କହିଲେ next
54.
54
May it please your lordship. The opposite parties are though yet to file the counter. Here I have challenged the revisional order passed by the State Consumer Commission.
अरे सर 2015 मीटर 23 तक 24 हेलानी फाइल काउंटर करछथि बसिन
No, I'll read you on merits.
Your lordship, I am the opposite party. Your lordship,
what is the issue
Yes, your lordship, I had challenged the order passed in an execution
पगा
case.
दे कोन हेतिला मुळरो टी कोंतु
Oh, my lord. Here the petitioner had established a +2 college. The opposite parties had were students taken admission in the college. There was some dispute and riots between the students and they assaulted some members of the college. After that, the students themselves suo motu took TC from the college and they went away. And then they filed a consumer dispute that you refund our fees. That we and that they filed a dispute before the Consumer Redressal Forum, which was allowed. I challenged it before the State Commission.
How much money
70,000 was the fees and
have you paid it
we have deposited half of the amount and compensation and cost was also there. We challenged it in State Commission. State Commission found that there is no deficiency in service. It removed the compensation and the cost part, but told that you refund them their admission fees. We had taken the ground that the Honorable Supreme Court settled this, that education is not a commodity. Students are not consumers in the matter of refund of fees and all. But it was not taken into consideration.
that's why you're here you are here na
Yes.
or student are here
No, we are here. Then they filed an execution case under Section 27 of the Consumer Protection Act.
now what is the status of that case
That execution case has been stayed now because they had filed it that is an offense under Section 27. So the forum is to function as the court of JMFC. He is to take cognizance of the complaint, examine him, and then issue a notice. But without doing those process, the district forum issued the notice. That's why we are here. The forum has not taken cognizance. He has not examined the complainant, and he has simply issued summons, which
You
is
are
illegal.
for the petitioner
I am for the opposite party student, my lord.
Student.
But append, my lord, in this case, the award is, the students have been awarded for the amount. They prefer the appeal. Appeal was partly allowed, saying that the compensation should not be given, only the awarded amount to be given. Against that order of the state forum, they have preferred in the national forum. National forum dismissed their application. The 27 application before the learned district consumer for the execution of the amount has been challenged.
you are challenging the national commission order
No, we are challenging
No,
the execution
That is the
proceedings.
holdings of the state forum, your lordship.
We are challenging
In revision petition. Why they have preferred revision? Though the district consumer forum in execution case directed for the payment of that part payment of that amount and rest part to be paid, against that they have preferred the revision. In that revision case, the state forum hold that the payment part is set aside and the other part to continue this execution case, taking cognizance is there. Against that revision, they have order of the revision.
You file your reply.
No.
You file your reply.
They are not.
By a week, I will file it.
You file your reply.
Yes. Sir.
File your reply and file a short note both.
Yes, your
We'll
lordship.
finish it.
Yes.
I'm fixing for
Accordingly, I both.
final hearing.
I will file the
second
notes
February.
only. I will file the notes.
Okay, file the note. Whatever you
only.
want to file.
Oblige your lordship.
Final hearing, hela?
Yes,
Final-
my
No,
lord.
no
Yes.
further argument.
Yes, yes.
1 week
Second-
after my lord.
2nd February.
Yes, my lord.
Next.
55,
No, 55, 56, 57, 64, 65, 66, 67 pertains to one case. A lot of fraud was practiced during 2016-17 at
Sorry,
Param.
sorry, movie valin.
Yes, my lords, what happened? They obtained the policies. Like
55 data.
55 is suppression of material fact.
Hmm.
Yes, suppressed the material fact that previously she obtained a policy from Max Life on 2012 suppressing that.
ଆପଣ ନମ୍ବର ଏଠି ଆଇଟମ ଗୁଡା କହିଗଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ?
ସେ ସବୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଜାଗାରେ identical points are involved.
ତ ଏଠିରେ କଣ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି?
ଏଥିରେ ଅଛି suppression of previous policy.
Separation of previous policy.
Policy.
ତାପରେ
And non-disclosure of previous policy millers amounts to suppression of material fact since the death occurred within 2 years. So we investigated, we repudiated the claim. Plus there was a racket was going on. We lodged FIR. No, nothing, no action was taken. We filed CRLMP. Thereafter, investigation conducted. 3 persons were arrested and sent to jail. Thereafter, it has stopped.
Okay.
So
this is a fraud.
Fraud millers. So these are all similar matters. So I pray let it, your lordship fix it a particular day. I'll file written note along with the criminal case records.
You do
Item 50, my lord, but copy may be short.
55.
Yes, I have in
Give a copy.
Yes, my lord. 55, 56.
Okay, ଆପଣ ଦିଆନିଆ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ।
ହଁ, ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କପି ପାଇଁ
ମୁଁ ଦିଆନିଆ ହେଇଯିବ।
କପି ପାଇଁ ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ। 7th February.
55, 56.
Final hearing 7th February.
55, 56, 57.
All written note to be submitted by the parties and no further adjournment shall be granted.
Yes, sir. 55, 56, 57, then 64, 65, 66, 67.
ଟିକେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କହିଗଲେ ସିନା ଆପଣ ତ ଦୁରନ୍ତ ଭଳିଆ
Sorry,
କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
sorry.
ମୁଁ ସିଏ ବି ଲେଖିବ ନା ଆଉ।
No, sir.
ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
55, 56,
55, 56,
57,
57,
then 64,
64,
65,
65,
66,
66,
67.
67. हाँ,
7th February.
7th February लगा था। At 2 PM लगे थे। Final कर दो।
Yeah.
Final हाउस से टाइम मांगी।
ना, ना।
हाँ। ये जा नोट दवा कथा दे दो।
मुझे-
नोट किंतु देवे मस्ट।
Note दे दो.
Next.
58,
58.
May I please, my lord? Petitioner's father, my lord, petitioner is nominee of his father, taken a policy LIC.
Petitioner is the nominee of the father.
Yes.
Yes.
Taken a 3 policy, my lords, basing upon the same date of birth, my lords. And 2 policy has,
Just hold on. Same date of birth means?
he has repudiated my claim, taking reference of the voter list, my lords. That voter list is showing that age is different from the policy, my lords. Let's here is a case.
voter list से को real
ତିନିଟା policy ନେଲେ ଦିଟା settle କରିଦେଲେନି ମୋ ଫେଭର।
ଆପଣଙ୍କର matric certificate basis ରେ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ପଢିନି କିଛି ନା
ପଢିନି।
ଲୋକ ସେ ପଢିନି ମରିଗଲା 2012 ରେ ଆଇ ଝିଅ ଆସିଛି ତାର କ୍ଲେମ୍
voter list ରେ ବହୁତ
ample
ଭୁଲଭାଲ
opportunity
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥା
ଅଛି।
voter list ରେ ବହୁତ ଭୁଲଭାଲ date of birth ଲେଖା ଯାଏ କିନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା ଆପଣ କହିବେ ସେଟା ଲେଖା ହେବ।
Which is why lordship
ହଁ ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ ତ ଆପଣ କହିଥିବେ 90 କହିଲା ବେଳେ ଆଉ 90 କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖି ଦେଇଥିବ। ଏଟା ହୁଏ ବେଳେ।
insurance company gave him ample opportunity to the daughter. Then ombudsman
ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ,
gave
ଆଉ
ample
କିଛି କରନ୍ତୁ।
opportunity.
ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମ।
लोग अदालत gave ample opportunity. ଗୋଟେ document ଆମକୁ ଦେଖେଇ ଦିଅ ତମ date of birth.
ମୋ ବାପା ମରିଗଲେ ମୁଁ କୋଉଠି ଆଣିବି?
अरे नहीं आगे सेमती. Then this is the official record, your lordship.
Yes, accepted
And lordship, why this is
Please,
repudiated?
hello. Why are you talking here? Please go out. What is this? ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ମାଛ ବଜାର ଭଳିଆ ପାଟି କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଯାଅ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଅ।
3 policy has been made, 2 policy has been settled. 1 policy they have reputed on the ground of date of birth.
This is exactly my ground of submission.
Sir, here one thing. The village lady has not been to school, rustic villager. You should have some sympathy for them. He's not asking something. It is not a case of unjust enrichment. It is a genuine enrichment.
Lordship, which is why that I am explaining, your lordship. Dita
trying to-
policy, I am already there.
Not enrichment also. It is genuine
Lordship,
case.
on the basis of misrepresentation of this fact, we could have repudiated all 3 policies.
You could have nahi. ସବୁ ଆପଣ
But dita ଆମେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦେଲୁ?
ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କିଛି
No, no, lordship,
I am
this-
passing order. I will give. You have to give.
Lordship, because this is by virtue of the lordship order. The third policy
I am
would not have been issued to him.
Ah,
the same judgment Lordship had given in my
କେତେ
case. Why?
ପାଞ୍ଚ
Because the
ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା
previous
ଛଅ
two
ମାସ
policies,
5 ଲକ୍ଷ ସମାଜ
5 ଲକ୍ଷ
the previous two policies, even if ସେଥିରେ ବି ଭୁଲ date of birth ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା, that would have been
date of birth ଯୋଉଟା ହୁଏ,
here as per policy Lordship 60 ବର୍ଷ
ଆପଣ
ଉପରକୁ ଆମେ
instruction
policy
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ instruction ନିଅନ୍ତୁ। ମୁଁ ଆଉ
Okay,
ଗୋଟେ
I have
date
taken
ରଖୁଛି।
instruction. That is my-
Finally instruction ନେଇକି ଦେଇଦେବି ପୁରା ଖତମ।
ଦିଟା ସେଟେଲ କଲେ ସେଇ ଇଏରେ
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ବା, ଆପଣ ଜଣେ କଥା ବସନ୍ତୁ। Sit down.
ମୁଁ ବସିଛି
What is this here? ଦି ଜଣ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇକି ଇଏ ଫଡଫଡ ଇଏ ଫଡଫଡ କଣ ଏଇଟା? ଏଇଟା ମାଛ ଭଜା।
ନାଇଁ ସେ
Have the discipline to sit. One person will speak, other person sit.
I'll sit.
ବିଲକୁଲ ପିଟିସନର ଗଲା ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ସିଏ କହୁଛି ସିଏ କହୁଛି।
ମୁଁ ପିଟିସନର
ହଁ ହେଲା କଣ ହେଲା ସିଏ କହିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରାହଉଛି ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ପାଟି କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
two policies we have
On that
already given.
on that count only I can be rejected also. No court can help you. I am just showing my extra. I am going out of box and to help you. You are just unnecessarily disturbing.
No, Chief. In fact, I contacted him since this case has come up after a long period of. I tried to contact my client and take instruction. Ratri asle to nahi helani. I told them, why have you rejected this particular grant? They said that the previous two policies also se micha koitila. But we granted it because
previous to grant କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା
because those policies could have been granted. This policy also could not have been granted.
Sir, they have deposited. You are giving.
ସେଇ ଦିଟା policy ଯେତେବେଳେ ନେଇଥିଲେ, that policy could have been granted to him because he was below 60 years. This third policy, by the time he had exceeded 60 years. As per our policy, we could have never have issued that policy.
60 years. See, ସେତେବେଳେ।
ସେଇଟା
But
ଯେମିତି
you have issued the policy.
no, by virtue of fraud. That therein also we had issued the policy, but Lordship found that this policy could not have been issued. Had he made the proper disclosure, that policy insurance company would never have issued. But for this separation that was issued. The previous two policies also same separation has been made. But legally सेटा से नहीं पारथांता. यदि से सतो कहता टिके premium अधिक आइता. That is why that too they settled. They didn't challenge it. They had the right to challenge it, repudiate it, but they didn't. This was the case, Lordship. This policy could not have been issued as per the LIC guidelines and policy scheme itself. Because by that time, by the time of taking the third policy,
ଆପଣ जो policy issue କଲେ ତା father को
Lordship,
father को document basis ରେ issue କରିଥିଲେ date of birth ଟା କୋଉଟା ଲେଖିଥିଲେ?
the proposal form ରେ ସେ ଯାହା ଦେଇଥିଲା
ମାନେ ଆପଣ verify କରିବେନି ଆଉ ବାକି ଏତେ କାର୍ଡ ଅଛି କିସ୍ ମେଟ୍ରିକ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଅଛି କଣ ଗୋଟେ ମାଗିଥିବେ ସେଇଟା କଣ ହେଲା ସେ ମଲା ଲୋକର ଏବେ ଖୋଜିଲେ ହବ କି ମଲା ଲୋକ କଲା ବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଖୋଜିଲେନି ସେଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫଲ୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ।
That is the case, Lordship.
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଭେରିଫାଏ କରି ଯଦି ଜଣେ ଲେଖି ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ଫଲ୍ସ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ଆପଣ ଭେରିଫାଏ କରିବେ ଆପଣ କାମ ନୁହେଁ ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ଭେରିଫାଏ କରୁନଥିଲେ? ତୁ ଇଜ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବଲ୍ ଫର ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍। ଆଉ ସେ ଡେଟ୍ ହେଲା ପରେ ବାହାର କରୁଛି ନାଇଁ ତୋର ଏମିତି ଥିଲା ତୋର ଏତେ ଭୁଲ କରିଥିଲୁ ଫ୍ରଡ୍ କରିଥିଲୁ ଏଇଟା କହିବେ ମାନେ କଣ?
No, because Lordship, the petitioner, present petitioner also.
You have to see.
Not a dhara code, I will tell you, Lordship.
When you are giving just him a policy, at that time, ना लेखुचंती, date of birth लेखुचंती, सब date of birth को basis रे लेखुचंती, उड़े तो document लगे लेखुचंती, आधार कार्ड हो, कौन उड़े को basis रे लेखुचंती, आज किसी भी basis ना ला से जहाँ orally कोयला लेखिले,
there is a difference.
जल्दी लेखिले, that is the final document. Then where is the question of se logo debt hela nahi wrong eta right eta koyar mane kona?
There is also a 10-year CA that is given. Suppose documents nahi 50 ବର୍ଷ ରେ insurance company ଦବା ଇଏ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତି. The documents proper documents till 60 years it can be given.
ଆପଣ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତୁ take
instruction. I'll take instruction. This policy was repeated on that ground. Previous to policy we have allowed, even if that was also by virtue of
company सबको तो आराम से दौड़ी दौड़ी ता घर को जाके
and I'll explain your Lordship by the oral instruction that I took. एटा धरा केमति पडला? They are very present petitioner. Doctor of the deceased petitioner जे से निजे गोटे policy नैथला. ता धरे भूल से बापा
rest to pay it. Take instruction, pay it.
I'll take instruction.
Otherwise I'll pass order to you.
Lordship, grant me some time.
Okay, take instruction 5th February.
Lordship.
Pay it. Next
59.
On behalf of Alok Manju, takes an adjournment one of after due to illness.
I am for the petitioner, madam.
9th February.
Interim order was there, it may continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Today कौन है छुटा? Kotak Laparoscope Hospital. 60
No, the insurance company.
It कोड है कोई number है
59.
Oh, 59. Sorry. So you are for the insurance company. What is the issue?
Regarding the permanent local.
Yeah, and to take time na. So let him take. 9th February.
Interim order.
Next 60.
Lords, in the past petition, I am for the petitioner. Here I have sought for enhancement of the amount awarded by the PLA authority and the.
What is that? This is medical negligence.
Medical negligence.
What happened?
No, my lords, the petitioner suffered pain on his backside, my lords, backbone. So he got operated by the opposite party number 2, Lords, it is shown that D5 and D6 has some problem, Lords, but he has operated on D4, 5 and 6, Lords. Therefore, Lords, now he is on bedridden.
Was
He's
there
totally-
any
totally- he's paralytic.
committee went into the right or wrong of this thing? Rightly, wrongly, he can happen. The committee
No,
decided.
see, it is admitted by the doctor itself, Lords.
Admitted.
Yes, yes.
Where?
Lords, in the impugned order itself, it has been mentioned. And now in the meantime, the subsequent development is that he has paid the 10 lakhs, Lords. The awarded amount he has
So
paid.
nothing is there.
But Lords, the authority, Lords, exonerated the hospital, Lords. So my claim is against both hospital and the doctor.
ଆପଣ କେତେ ପଇସା claim କରିଥିଲେ?
25 lakhs, Lords.
25.
Lords, 31 years, Lords, person. Lords, now he is bedridden, he is paralytic, Lords. He was operated just before his marriage, Lords. Newly married.
You are for the hospital.
Yes, my lord, that the.
What do you say?
And in meantime that the instruction is coming, lord, that in meantime the proprietor has been expired, lord. That young boy, lord.
The hospital proprietor.
Yes, yes. And then
Hospital is closed.
no award against the hospital. In instruction today morning that his hospital also be closed. That that not prayer
Hospital-
against me, my lord. That
The
the
proprietor died. Hospital died. ଯାହା ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ଖୁସି ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବେ? ଅଧିକା ଆଉ ଆଶା କରି ଲାଭ ନାହିଁ. Whatever he could get, he could get.
And in meantime, the out of place mention, my lord, that the DMT also inquiry. That DMT held that no negligence part of the doctors also.
That
Anyhow,
has-
that 10 lakhs.
That has been dealt with by the authority, Lords.
So I'm just disposing it of. Why unnecessarily to be kept pending? Nobody is going to give you anything now. The hospital owner died.
Yes,
Proprietor,
that-
see,
that-
had it been a company, it would have been different.
No, owner may be dead, Lords, whether hospital. is
Hospital
running or
also
not.
died, sir. Hospital ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲା କଣ କି ଆଉ died
No,
ନା ହେଲା
ବନ୍ଦ
କଣ
ହେଇଛି, କଣ ହେଇଛି, ସେଟା I'll verify whether it is running or-
So କାହିଁ କହିବେ ସେ- why
Sorted
should
order
it why should it tell lies?
That death certificate also went.
No, sir. Seta death certificate upon that I'm not disputing whether the hospital is running or not. I'll verify. A sorted may be
My lord,
fixed.
that, that the repetition not prayer against me, my lord. That repetition itself shows that no prayer.
Okay, verify କରନ୍ତୁ.
My lord.
Fifth. କିଛି ନା dead claim. କିଛି ମିଳିବାର ନାହିଁ.
10 lakhs already issued.
That is
Next.
Deplorable.
61.
61. Society for Economic Lift Forum. ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି dismiss କରିଦେଲେ ଆସିଯିବେ.
Kindly have a glance to order dated 3rd January 2024. The 2017 interim order is just operating against me, my lord.
Non-appears for the, okay. Non-appears for the petitioner. Today, on 3/1/2024 also non-appears. It seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. Accordingly, dismissed for non-prosecution. Dismissed. Next.
The interim order.
Interim order.
Packet.
Beckett. Interim order operated against the opposite party. Beckett. Next.
62.
62.
62, I'm referring to the opposite party, your lordship.
Here for the mining.
Yes.
What is the issue?
Your lordship, the petitioner has demanded.
Yes.
Your lordship, the writ is not maintainable because it is against two opposite parties, your lordship. Opposite parties are private opposite parties.
Sending mining. What is it for?
They have, the petitioner has demanded 55,000 from the opposite party, that is private opposite party, from the vehicle.
From the?
For the vehicle, the petitioner is a vehicle owner whose vehicle was deployed by the opposite party.
Okay.
And due to some accident occurring and the.
So there is private claim.
Yes, your lordship.
Non-appeals for the petitioner. Non-appeals for the petitioner. What a chance they have. Non-appeals for the petitioner. As the last chance, the petitioner is granted. Sorry, the petitioner will appear in the matter. List the matter. 18 is the use. Next.
Item 68.
68.
Notice issued to the opposite party number 1 that has been answered with a noting that he left the address, left the station.
Sorry?
He has left the station, OP number 1.
Hmm.
So I have to take out fresh notice, Milords. And correct address.
Give it correct address.
Correct address. I will take out notice.
Yeah, file that correct address.
No, I have to take out notice through correct address. I have to ascertain the correct address, then file
Okay,
requisites.
land council petitioner. 2 weeks time.
3 weeks time, Milords.
3 weeks time to provide the correct address and file an application for change of address. List the matter on 28th February.
Interim order to continue, Milords.
Interim order to continue. Next, 69.
69.
69. Here it was a case of deployment, my lord, by the state commission and the jurisdiction was questioned. The reply has not been filed. By taking instruction in the morning, I am praying for 15 days time, my lord. Your lordship may kindly grant me.
Constitution, 2 weeks time for taking instruction. List the matter on 8th.
Interim order was there, may kindly be extended.
Interim order to continue.
Oblige.
70.
70.
70.
Your lordship, I'm happy.
Corona Rakshaka police. And he has filed.
You are a Corona Rakshaka?
My lord, it's against the Oriental Insurance Company. My
Your lordship, I'm appearing for opposite part. Oriental Insurance ka opposite party 1, 2, 3.
You are a Corona Rakshaka?
No. I have
policy.
Policy, my lord. And
Okay. So you are claiming that?
Yes, I am claiming.
They have repudiated.
Repudiated.
Why?
That the documents are all forged, and I have annexed the documents.
Documents from where?
Forged, my lord.
Which
From
hospital?
hospital, my lord.
Huh?
Hospital. I have.
Which hospital?
Nilachala COVID hospital, my lord.
Oh, last occasion.
Last one, that is said.
I am Nilachala Hospital. Another case has been posted to 29. I have filed in that case counter.
29 log that.
Yes, ma'am. So that I can.
29 log. Similar case is posted on 29.
I beg your pardon, your lordship. I pray for 4 weeks time to file my counter, my lord.
Counter कौन सी 4 weeks time? हॉस्पिटल कथा बुझले हेले गला कोन हॉस्पिटल आसी क्लारिफिकेशन दियंतु तापर काउंटर दरकार पड़िबे मो ऑर्डर पास कर दी हला काउंटर फंडरेजर करी ऐसा मास गले कोन हो इतरा पैसा पाइनी पाइला पाइबो जदी जेन्युइनली अछि पाइबो आते मास गडले कोनटा हो
मात्र 2 लाख टंका तो
हां ओनली 2 लाख
दुकानी
इंश्योरेंस कंपनी माने
सेतोळे एजेंट माने करी कि नै जाउछंदी आगा इनिशियली एजेंट माने ताठू पॉलिसी करी नै जाउछंदी देला वाला ये डॉक्यूमेंट देसे इलिटरेट पर्सन को
एनीवे ठीक अछि आपण टिके जेन्युइन डॉक्यूमेंट कि नै टिके कहबे जल्दी जेन्युइन
केस आई हैव गिवन दैट
जेन्युइन माने से पाइबे निश्चय हला जान आपण कोन तो नेक्स्ट
Your lordship, date.
In the meantime, you file it. Date.
29th.
29 पर.
Your lordship, we have to send the counter copy to Delhi.
कब तक लेटा? 29 January. Sorry. आपण शॉर्टकट जा देबा के दियंतु आगो फास्ट एनश्योर करे से नीलाचल हॉस्पिटल राइट न दरकार पड़े आपण टाइम देबी नले देबी हला डोंट वरी
Oblige, your lordship.
नेक्स्ट
71.
71
million for the opposite party bank minutes.
Bank.
Please, your lordship. I am for the petitioner. Time to file counter in this matter.
Okay. Now comes for the bank.
Yes, sir.
2 weeks time.
No, 4 weeks time.
3 weeks time to file the counter.
We are distance, sir.
Hey, gala. Mu 13 dela hey gala chari. Mu lekha teri dela algo 4 ही जेते.
Oblige.
My lord,
That is
just
February.
one prayer, my lord.
My
sir, किछि ने credit facility से माने avail करी चलचंदी. Bank, this matter may be disposed of with a direction, my lord. Let them consider at least my grievance, my lord.
आपण petitioner.
Again, Annexure 5, my lord. Let them decide at least, my lord.
Annexure 5 कौन अछि?
मो grievance टा अछि, my lord, कि से माने credit facility avail कर चलचंदी. आमरो document भी किछि shortage अछि. Bank.
Where is your this?
Page 27, my lord.
27. Annexure?
Annexure 5, my lord.
Land Council with the petitioner submit that he has given a reputation to the chief manager SBI SME branch Bargad.
Again,
and the same has been same is pending before the said bank. In view of his request, he seeks that the reputation to be disposed of at the earliest possible in such view the matter. Let the reputation of the present petitioner be disposed of within 1 month from today. I can do this for next.
I'm grateful. My presence may kindly be apology. Presence में kindly be recorded.
Himanshu Patna. अच्छी अच्छी power.
Next.
72.
On 21st on 21st of December, your lordship directed the opposite party number 327 to file the counter affidavit and to supply the documents relating to the conduct of the election.
Yes.
But neither the counter affidavit has been filed nor they supplied the document of election.
Sir, file.
Counter affidavits are ready. I'm Hon'Ble. The party is to come from Maharashtra. Is to put signature only 4 days time for last.
Okay, I'm giving you, you get well. Okay, I'm giving you 10 days time. 30th. 30th. Let him get well.
No,
Next.
my friend is appearing for the OP number 7.
Anyway,
My friend is appearing for OP number 7, but the document has to be produced by OP number 3 to 6.
He is to come from General Secretary from Kemutra. And the video
yes,
clippings,
I have no
everything
issue.
is to prepare.
ठीक है, आसन तो सही 30th.
Alright.
Next.
73.
Yes, my lord. I am in VC, my lord. This is an OD claim of filed by the petitioner over Kyoturi over my lord.
आपण एटे आले सुने एटे किसी सुबनी आपण एटे ओवर ये होची इको होची सर.
Sir, then next week
आपण एटे आले सुने आगुडे कॉन्टॅक्ट दे तुझी.
next week करू sir.
हां?
Next week करू तू.
हां next week. आपरे काउंटर भी आसीनी सेमती भी काउंटर आसीनी.
Yes, counter is not given, my lord.
काउंटर आसु.
All my lord.
First February को दूच.
Oh, all my lord.
Okay.
All. Thank you.
74.
74, my lord. Here, my noting is that the notice was issued, but
I'm appearing for LIC of India.
in one case.
What is the issue?
Issue, my lord, here, my lord, the LIC as well as the banks, my lord, they are releasing the entire amount in favor of the legal heir instead of the petitioner is the deceased wife and daughter.
Legal heir.
Legal heir.
I'm for the opposite party, Bank of India.
But
एटे केते connected board আছে বুঝি.
हाँ चारटा तीनटा बैंक गोटे LIC and opposite party number 2 is the legal heir who is the nephew, my lord.
You are for the
Opposite but not two, my lord.
petitioner पे की.
I am for the petitioner. I am for the petitioner.
Open petition. कौन है चीज़?
Here, my lord, the husband of the petitioner, his name is my lord Bhaktavandhu Oram. During his bachelor, my lord, before unmarried, he has opened some fixed deposit amount as well as some LIC in his name, my lord. And he has made opposite party number 2 as his nominee, my lord. Now what happened? After his death, the legal heir was issued in favor of the petition number 1 and 2, who are the wife and the daughter, my lord. But the bank, instead of my objection, they are going to release the entire amount in favor of the opposite party.
You are the wife.
I am the wife and the legal heir, wife and daughter legal heir of the deceased, my lord. But they are issuing
two legal heir.
Two legal heir only.
And he
is the nephew and the nominee.
So the bank, the wife, so they will give to the wife.
My lord,
Nephew को कहीं देंगे?
my lord, during the service period of the, that is the, who is the alleged that is the wife of the husband, my lord, that the nephew
is not the wife. The dispute.
No, that is total false, my lord. I will do, I will give all the.
I will trial करिया को देना सर
I don't know.
trial
I will file counter, my lord.
Today he is appearing.
Say whether you are wife or not wife. This is a very peculiar question. I want to prove
annexure 2, your lordship kindly see, that is issued by the government of Odisha, and the death certificate annexure 1. Yes, widow Basanti Oram, Paramita Oram is the daughter. Daughter's birth certificate is also there.
No, I will give all the documents. He has never.
Sir, एते कथा कौन दुनी? ए document पर आपने कौन forge बोली कौन?
Document में forge मार.
आपने कौन forge रो basis कौन?
I will give the documents मार लो.
आपने कोई document दो जो forge बोली कौन?
File counter मार.
I will hear it some other day.
Today I am filing the Bhaglana.
File कार बकलना माटा.
No.
Opposite party number
2, my lord.
Today he is appearing.
Today.
एठी दिया जाए नहीं सेठी दिया तू. एठी नहीं. एटा counter नहीं. सब सेठी फाइल करिबे ना एठी counter extension counter
Today fix for my appearance मार लो.
हो अपन सेठी करंतु. Well, I am fixing some other day. 31st, last day.
Interim to continue.
Interim to continue. ସବୁ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖେଇବେ ଦେଖିବା କେମିତି କଣ ସେ ସବୁଥିରେ ତା ନାଁ ଅଛି ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନାଇଁ legally worded ଭାବେ ନାଇଁ କେମିତି
During the service period, that is, he has
ନାଇଁ
never
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ
mentioned that he has
ଆଉ
a wife.
ପଇସା ନେବା ପାଇଁ ସବୁ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତୁ
No,
The lordship has passed a judgment also in this.
30 years of service, my lord, he has never mentioned anywhere that he is the he has wife.
ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟରେ କେମିତି ଆଇଲା ତାହେଲେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଏମିତି କରିଦେବେ ଡେଥ୍ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଏମିତି ବନିଯିବ ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ ସେଦିନ ଦେଖିବେ
So that will show that on that.
ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Our appearance will be in LIC matter.
Yeah. LIC. କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଥିଲା
74.
75 କରିଦେବ
75.
May I please lost my lord.
75
May I please lost my lord. In this case, my lord, the petitioner's husband who has died in an unmanned level crossing, my lord.
unmanned level crossing
My lord.
the union of india ki achi unmanned level crossing
Unmanned level crossing.
sir unmanned level crossing to kaunsi rule nahi tanga
This is the
unmanned level crossing rule nahi sir
this honorable court is
अरे दिस honorable court छाड़ନ୍ତୁ unmanned level ता rule नहीं था honorable court के दे देबो मु मानिबिनी rule जो rule नथले how can court will go beyond the rule and give it compensation to you
But there's why RCD is set up. Railway camp to set up if they are required to give any evidence.
टिकट होल्डर थिबे ताला सेठी की जानतु unmanned क्रॉस करबे के आसी सुसाइड करिवो कोन करिवो रेलवे पैसा देबो कमे देबो
that is
आगन त आपन रूल नहीं
negligence of the duty of the railway, my lord.
सर अपन दियंतु नोट दियंतु ऑर्डर पास
Written note submission देबे
दियंतु सबमिशन दियंतु
within 7 days.
तो हम आउट डेट लगे दूछ
डेट कर दूं दे देबे
31st लगे हला दे देबे ओनली फॉर द नोट लग किछि अनमैन लाइक नाही सर ताका गाइडलाइन नाही अनमैन पई गाइडलाइन नाही ताका
this honorable
अरे
division
दिस ऑनरेबल कोर्ट को सिंपैथी देला मैं सबुद्र मु भी सिंपैथी देबी ना कोन हां ऑनरेबल नहीं तो नहीं रूल नहीं खत्म और सिंपैथी फिंपैथी चलिबनी रूल अछि देखा तो संगे संगे देबी आ बिना रूल रे
31st
सिंपैथी के देला सेटा